Here we go. हाँ जी एंड वेलकम बैक. मेरे साथ एज यूजुअल बैराम काजी बैठा हुआ है. काफी अर्से बाद हम स्टूडियो में आए हैं.
Yeah, it's been a while. पता है जब से टेस्ट सीजन स्टार्ट हुआ ना वक्फे बढ़ गए हैं. But boy Saadi, before we even get into the analysis.
What is Test cricket?
What is sport?
What is Test cricket?
Yeah,
I love it.
The way Test cricket ebbs and flows, and it's a visceral experience. You go through the highs and lows through the course of 5 days. ठीक है? Even though the Test match didn't end on a knife's edge as such.
But then again, fifth day, last session. I'll take that any day of the week.
And a big fuck you to all of those people in the administration of the ICC who are calling for 4-day test matches. ये होती है फिर 5-day test cricket यार. Don't rob people of this.
मुझे डिस्कशन ही नहीं समझ आई है.
नहीं मैं तो फुल खिलाफ हूँ इसके ब्रो. I am not having any of it. But boy have we been entertained. और मतलब वही बात है ना यार, the overnight drama, changing conditions, how one team is completely on top at one point and then
at one point नहीं multiple points. मतलब throughout अगर टेस्ट मैच देखा जाए तो it was India who was on the top.
India dominated huge chunks of this test match and England comes out as the victor. I mean, it is a sport unlike any other, and the way it sort of evolves over the course of 5 days, I don't think there's anything else like it out there. मजा करा देती है. मजेजिस.
और अगर आपको टेस्ट क्रिकेट नहीं पसंद तो पॉडकास्ट बंद करो और अपना काम करो.
कोई फायदा नहीं है यार. Yeah.
सीधी सी बात है.
Anyway, England have taken a 1-0 lead in the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy.
हाँ जी.
जिसपे पहले बड़े मसले चल रहे हैं.
सनी जी को पसंद नहीं आया.
सनी जी तो अब गए यार.
सनी जी का आर्ग्यूमेंट बहुत बड़ा फ्लॉड आर्ग्यूमेंट.
मतलब ठीक है यार, तेंदुलकर मैं भी मानता हूँ बड़ा प्लेयर है जिम्मी से.
ऑब्वियसली.
बट क्या फर्क पड़ता है किसका नाम पहले आए? और अगर सनी जी की यही थॉट प्रोसेस है तो इसका मतलब है कि वो समझते हैं कि एलन बॉर्डर उनसे बेहतर बैटर था. राइट? अब मैं तो वैसे समझता हूँ कि सनी जी बहुत ग्रेट बैटर है. तो बहुत ऊपर रखता हूँ उनको अपने
टेस्ट ओपनर्स में तो राइट एट द टॉप भी आ सकते हैं.
He's just made that sort of reputation कि he's the salty uncle now.
अच्छा छोड़ो यार सनी जी.
But ऋषभ पंत पे खुश हो गए थे
फाइनली. वो स्टूपिड निकल गया.
हाँ
वो कह रहे हैं
कलाबाजियां खाने लग गए, उंगलियों से कलाबाजियां. But anyway, 1-0 lead to England ने ले ली in the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy, and they did that quite convincingly in the end. A 5-wicket win. Jamie Six कह दिए मैंने.
Jamie Smith smashed a 6. Oh, ये तो सही टंग ट्विस्टर है.
हाँ, Jamie Smith smashed a 6 to take England to victory. 5-day thriller over the course of the test match, because obviously England were a bit dominant towards the end. And I mean, वही वाली बात हो रही थी, India dominating major chunks of this game. Saadi, India were 430 for the loss of 3 wickets in the first innings and 287 for the loss of 3 wickets in the third. Okay. How have they lost this? Colathus Maximus 2 दफा हुआ.
2 दफा.
ठीक है. पहले 7 for 41 हुए और फिर से ढेर हुए हैं. They lost like 6 wickets in no time. For 30 odd runs or something like that. But it's not just the collapse, right?
वो बहुत ज्यादा फैक्टर्स हैं.
By the way,
Colathus Maximus उसके अलावा
वरुण को भी हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया. वो वेरियस चैट में Colath लिख रहा होता है हमेशा. ठीक है.
I don't know, it just sounds better.
Yeah. So it's not just that. India dropped 7 catches. That is the most number of catches any team has dropped in England in the last 20 years in a test match, right? 7 is a lot across 2
7 is a lot, और फिर उसका impact जो हर individual innings पे है वो भी काफी ज्यादा था.
बिल्कुल. I'm not going to blame the batters despite the collapse because they did their bit. India scored 835 runs in this test match and lost.
मतलब 5 बंदों ने सेंचुरीज मारी.
बिल्कुल. और पता है, this is the first time in history where India have scored 5 individual hundreds in a test match, and the first time in history that a team which has scored 5 individual hundreds in a test match has lost.
That's weird.
Even like teams which have scored or registered 4 individual hundreds in a test match, एक ही हारी है. Australia lost to England in 1928.
28,
yeah.
Bro.
So, I mean, there are a multitude of factors. I'm not going to throw the batting under the bus despite the collapses.
I think fielding was a major factor, and I think bowling was a major factor apart from Bumrah.
देखो यार, अगर आपकी बैटिंग ने ओवरऑल टैली कर दिया है 835 रन्स का.
835 रन्स के बाद अगर आप हार रहे हो ना तो बैटिंग की फॉल्ट नहीं हो सकती.
India end up taking 15 wickets. To win a test match, you need to take 20. Finish, बात खत्म.
रवि भाई ने बोला था ना, निकालो पिच को बीच में से, बस 20 विकेटें लो.
Absolutely, and you know what? Ravi Shastri was a big component of that team as well, जो 20 विकेटों को प्रायोरिटाइज करता.
कोहली एंड रवि.
और ये जो सिलेक्शन किए ना इन लोगों ने, that did not prioritize 20 wickets.
जो सिलेक्शन की उससे मुझे काफी ज्यादा मसले नहीं थे.
अच्छा
सिर्फ एक बंदे से मसला था, that was Shardul.
I also was quite happy with the team. I was fine with Sai at 3.
हाँ.
I would have had Nair at 5,
Five,
but I'm
but
fine with him
Pant
at 6.
scored twin centuries at
Yes,
5
yes.
यार, और फिर क्या कर सकते
पंत
हैं.
ने तो अपना काम कर दिया, तो I'm not going to say कि पूरी की पूरी टीम सिलेक्शन गलत थी. I was satisfied with the team for the most part, but Shardul Thakur, and I'm not saying this in hindsight. Go look at my
हाँ.
tweets.
और go look at our previous podcast,
Yes, yes.
हमने यही बात की थी.
Exactly
Do
यही
we
बात
play
की.
Shardul? No, we don't.
No, and as soon as the toss happened and I learned what India's team is, I was like, yeah, if you wanted more batting, you could have gone with Nitish Kumar Reddy. Okay? And if you wanted a proper bowler, you could have gone with Kuldeep, who could, in theory or hypothetically, have obliterated England on day 5.
हाँ.
Right?
हो सकता था बिल्कुल.
उसको रिवर्स स्वीप पे मारते हुए पता नहीं कितने सक्सेसफुल होते वो. क्योंकि he
I
turns
mean-
the ball in both directions.
I mean डकेट ही होता अगर होता तो, बाकी नहीं होना था किसी.
Yeah, खैर वो तो जडेजा भी मुश्किल डाल ही रहा था आखिरी दिन पे, but you get my point.
जडेजा भी मुश्किल उसने स्टोक्स को डाली है
यार,
यार, डकेट से तो कोटी खा रहा था वो.
There are few, हाँ तुम बात सही कर. There are few caveats to this. ठीक है, if you are playing Shardul, ठीक है, why not trust him then? He didn't bowl a lot in the first innings or in India's first
अच्छा,
bowling
एक
innings.
क्वेश्चन है जो कि मैंने ट्विटर पे पढ़ा था, मुझे याद नहीं है किसने रेस किया था. was that Shubman Gill protesting his selection?
I'm not sure. I don't think it works that way.
I don't know.
Because you,
I don't know.
पता नहीं खैर. My point is, जो भी ये सच हो गलत हो, we can't say. It's
हमें तो
all-
पता ही नहीं है ना.
It's pure conjecture, right? But if you aren't going to trust him with the ball, then why play him at your number 8 position?
It doesn't make sense.
And he's not as good a bat, right?
Nitish-
It's bonus runs.
Nitish Kumar Reddy is a better batter than him.
मगर रेड्डी की सही सिलेक्शन ना होती.
हाँ,
क्योंकि
कुलदीप
वो-
यादव is a better bowler than him.
Exactly. रेड्डी को भी खिलाकर आपको
कुछ नहीं होना था.
कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ना था, because you needed 20 wickets to win.
आप शायद थोड़ी सी अपनी टेल प्रोलॉन्ग कर लेते.
हाँ,
आप
शायद.
हाँ शायद वो भी 0 पे भी आउट हो सकता था.
Exactly.
लेकिन कुलदीप या एनी अदर बॉलर, आकाशदीप रख लो फॉर एग्जांपल,
अर्शदीप, आकाशदीप, कुलदीप, ट्रिपल डीप.
हाँ, तो वो शायद आपको विकेट ज्यादा ले देते. हालांकि शार्दुल ने 2 विकेटें तो ले ली
Yeah,
थी.
खैर, हाँ, of course, Shardul takes 2 wickets in 2 deliveries in his last bowling innings or the 4th innings.
Shittiest deliveries to get wickets on.
Rank half volley and a wide ball cricket. ठीक है? Like those were atrocious deliveries,
Yeah.
and those yielded wickets for Shardul. He is Lord Shardul for a reason.
For a reason.
अब कहीं वो मोटिवेट ना हो जाए कि यार उसने 2 विकेटें ले ली थी क्रूशियल टाइम पे, तो उसको अगला भी खिला दे.
अब वो
बहुत
उनके
बड़ी
ऊपर है, उनके ऊपर है,
आपने
लेकिन
ना
स्टूपिडिटी होगी.
Shardul को खिलाकर, by playing Shardul, you have not extended your batting, and you've robbed yourself of another bowling option. That's what you've done, right?
You were basically playing with what, 3 bowlers?
Yes.
4 bowlers.
4 bowlers.
हाँ.
Jadeja.
हाँ, प्रासिद को भी काउंट कर लो.
हाँ, मगर यार point is कि with Kuldeep you would have had an attacking option, a wicket taking option. He would have been very potent, or should have been very potent on day 5. ठीक है? And yeah, I mean, it's just a very very terrible selection call, and you have to pin this on both of Gautam Gambhir and Shubman Gill, right?
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये बहुत ही बड़ी गलती थी, and like I said, we're not saying this in hindsight.
हम
Everyone.
पहले बात करें.
I saw tons of accounts, not just mine, making that case कि यार, what have you gained with this?
अब I don't know.
हाँ.
Bits and pieces क्यों आपने पूरे करने?
अगर आपका 7 पे जडेजा आ रहा है तो कम से कम till your number 7 you've got a very potent batting lineup, right?
You could have played a proper bowler.
Absolutely. Especially if you are expecting a flat deck, which it was
हाँ.
for the most part.
Yeah.
तो फिर तो आप बल्कि extra bowler खिलाओ यार. So that was a bit defensive in my eyes and a bit of a howler.
It was a howler.
Yeah, as
It
far
was a
as
howler.
selection is concerned.
देखो, साय और करुण नायर हाइंडसाइट में नहीं चले, वो नहीं चले. ठीक है, सिलेक्शन मेड सेंस.
Yes.
शार्दुल की डिड नॉट.
हाँ.
From मतलब from ball 1 क्या from prior to the test match did not make sense.
और चलो शुभमन गिल का तो पहला टेस्ट है यार. I'm not going to throw him under the bus. He is young. He will learn. And I was impressed also with his captaincy in bits, right? Field settings तो मुझे ठीक लगी.
उसकी बैटिंग.
हाँ, उसकी बैटिंग भी देख लो, उस पे आएंगे, ठीक है. The only mistake he made for me was when he bowled both Prasidh Krishna and Shardul Thakur in tandem.
क्या करता उस टाइम पे?
That was a mistake. He could have potentially done something different, but that's the only bit of criticism that I can come up with.
देखो,
बाकी मुझे ठीक लगे.
अच्छा चलो इंडिया पे बाद में आते हैं, पहले थोड़ी सी ओवरऑल रिकॉर्ड्स वगैरह डिस्कस कर लेते हैं ना. उसके बाद में 1-2 और पॉइंट्स है इंडिया ने क्या गलत किया.
तो
खैर
ये तो बात हमने कर ली कि फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया स्कोर्ड or registered 5 individual hundreds in a test. They lost. ठीक है. And no team has ever managed that. वही मैंने बताया, 4 individual hundreds में भी एक ही टीम हारी है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया 1928. उसके बाद 835 runs were scored by India. They lost. Obviously, there's another one over here which is very interesting. This was the highest match aggregate for runs.
Yes,
in
sir.
India-England tests.
India-England test.
And it's remarkable how the team which was chasing has won it, right? And you've got to give credit to Baz Ball and
Baz
Stokes.
Ball इंग्लैंड में chase करते हुए they've won 9 and lost only 1.
यार in their last
Or chase down 10 and lost only 1.
yeah, in their last 2 home tests versus India, they've chased 370 plus.
Yeah.
Back to back. Okay? And they have made a bit of a reputation of like chasing down these big totals. And you know, Stokesy was getting a lot of flack. I saw a lot of accounts throw shade on him.
For-
He's pulled off a Nasser Hussain at the toss.
For bowling first.
By bowling first, it's a flat deck, this, that, the other. Yeah, I don't think he pulled off a Nasser Hussain at all because Stokesy knows that his team is capable of chasing down big totals. He knows that Headingley is a ground in which England have won their last 6 test matches chasing, right?
yeah.
Bowling first. So, I mean, I feel that next time we see a test match in Headingley, you'll see the winning captain bowl first.
Yeah.
That's what the numbers are suggesting. It's so weird. Jared did some, क्या कहते हैं? He dug deep into Headingley. It is one of the best fourth innings batting surfaces in international cricket.
Damn.
And in county cricket, it is pretty much the worst. I don't get it. No one gets it.
पता नहीं.
कोई किसी को समझ नहीं आई dichotomy of Headingley, right? But I want to really credit Stokesy because एक तो यार he made the right call at the toss. He made a few captaincy errors as well. मेरे ख्याल से like that point where Rishabh Pant was batting,
Yeah.
the fields got too defensive.
Yeah, he was too defensive.
Slip
at that
नहीं
moment.
थी. I saw like a couple of balls go through an empty slip court.
He was looking for के पंत मारे और कोई edge है जो तो निकले.
Waiting for Pant to make
Yeah.
a mistake, which is a mistake in itself.
हाँ.
So obviously the winning captain, उसकी गलतियां उसका highlight नहीं होती. They generally tend to get brushed under the rug, but we are the Pro Sports podcast, so we obviously do that. बाकी यार let's not forget Sadi. कि एक तो the fact that the chasing team won is all due to baseball. Only they could have done this in the manner that they did this. और यार this is like a third iteration of baseball now. They're not just throwing the kitchen sink at it anymore.
यार शुरू वाला अगर 5 days play पे शुरू वाला phase देखो जब बुमराह was terrifying.
That was a very, very like otherworldly spell. I don't know how it didn't yield a wicket.
They survived.
Yes.
They didn't go for runs.
Yep.
कि हम इसका स्पेल निकाल लें तो इजी हो जाएगा. उसके बाद they went at 5.
And you're also seeing off the new ball.
हाँ.
ठीक है?
उसके बाद they went at 5.
अब आप देखो, if you actually look at England in this test match, they went under 5 runs and over 4 runs and over. Is that what the third iteration of baseball is? Are they using more of their brains now?
They are using more of their brains. इस टेस्ट मैच से जो मुझे पता चला है ना, वो यही है कि stick around for a while.
Yes.
Go for it, लेकिन when the situation demands.
Assess the conditions, assess the phase, look at who's bowling, look at how new the ball is, and play accordingly. और
And
जब
they did.
moment आएगा capitalize करने का और accelerate करने
उसके
का,
बाद तो फिर वो
do that.
करते ही करते हैं ना.
नहीं बाद में भी किया. Stokes जब आया, he saw off Bumrah as well.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, उसके बाद जब फेज आ जाता है फिर मारने पे तो आए तो मारते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन I like this. This is much better.
Very, very impressed. And you know, this is where I thought baseball would end up. And you don't see all of that dogmatic bullcrap now. Okay, nahi, this is the way we play. We are here to entertain,
not win.
Yeah. This is the way you win by being a bit pragmatic.
मुझे लगता है ये वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल ने ना सबकी थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज कर दिया कि नहीं यार अब हर टेस्ट मैच जीतना ही जीतना है, जो मर्जी कर.
खैर इनका तो पहले से भी यही था.
ये जाते थे, जीत गए तो जीत गए, बस चेस डाउन करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Josh Tong said in the post-match presser after day 4 that of course we're going to go for the win.
Obviously.
Yeah, and we did that.
जॉश टंग कोई बोल रहा था, जॉश टोंग कोई बोल रहा था. दोनों बोले.
मैं तो बता रहा हूं, मुझे नहीं समझ आती कौन सा सही.
उसी से ही पूछना पड़ेगा क्या नाम है भाई.
Are you Tong or Tong?
No.
But anyway, very, very impressed with Bazball and Ben Stokes, and I feel like they have evolved as well as a unit, and they have played smarter cricket, intelligent cricket. They assessed the conditions brilliantly as well. And you know what? They played the long game. Ben Stokes ne bola na, good thing the test match or test cricket is played over 5 days.
Not 4 days.
Yeah. So I love the guy, honestly.
अच्छा दूसरी साइड पे इंडिया. Bit of a trouble in test cricket, huh?
Yeah, 9 test matches now for India and a solitary victory. वो पर्थ वाली थी शायद. Versus
Australia.
Destroyer, mate.
उसके अलावा 3-0 न्यूजीलैंड.
Yes.
एक ये हो गया.
And 3-0 versus New Zealand at home.
और ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
Yes. Now I don't want to say or jump to conclusions because that was an aging team and now this is a team in transition. And I'm also not going to say कि Gambhir को फारिग कर दो because they don't want to pull a PCB now, do they? ठीक है? Or pull off a PCB.
I don't know, bro.
But there is a clock on this.
No, there is,
right?
obviously.
I feel like the clock is not this series.
What series?
It is this cycle.
Obviously it is the cycle. 2 साल का साइकिल है. मुझे लगता है एक और इस सीरीज के बाद कुछ हुआ ना इधर उधर. क्वेश्चन मार्क्स शुरू हो जाए. क्वेश्चन मार्क्स मुझे लगता है ऑलरेडी शुरू हो गए.
थोड़े बहुत तो शुरू हो गए होंगे, but then again their next assignment is West Indies at home, which they should win. And also this series is still young.
अगर वहां पे कुछ हुआ ना फिर तो नहीं बचता.
देखो यार 4 matches to go in this series as well, so let's not jump to conclusions. Also, like
Yeah,
Gambhir can do nothing about on-field performances,
देखो
right?
4 matches but 2 Bumrah matches.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah.
They have lost a Bumrah test,
Yeah.
right? And they know that Bumrah will only play 3. And Gambhir
गंभीर ने
confirmed
बोल
this.
दिया है.
Steve Harmison has a theory that Bumrah may play all 5, but if Gambhir has said he's playing 3, then he'll play 3.
It'll be stupidity to play Bumrah 5 test matches.
Yeah, I
Bro,
wouldn't do that
उससे already almost 50 ओवर करवा दिए. कितने 43 ओवर्स करवाए उसने?
43.4 overs bowled.
Uff, tauba.
He didn't even come to bowl with the second new ball in the 4th innings, right? Acha, Jared said that, you know, it might not be the worst idea just because India's assignments after the series aren't like terribly hard. So maybe they look at things from that perspective. But then on the flip side, what if you break him badly?
Yeah.
Right? You don't want to risk that either.
बुमराह टेंडेंसी है इंजर होने की, साल बाहर भी हो जाता है वो बेचारा.
And we knew that Bumrah was going to play 3 tests. They've lost one of those, which is
Yeah.
big. And now they have to decide which other 2 test matches he plays, if that is still the plan. और अब Edgbaston तो मुझे मुश्किल लग रहा है.
लॉर्ड्स पे खिलाओ.
Lords पे, you know, Bumrah won't have a heavy workload because of the slope. I'm assuming that, you know, the innings
लॉर्ड्स
will
पे
be shorter.
खिलाओ, लॉर्ड्स पे ज्यादा चांस भी है जीतने का.
Scores जो है कम हो जाएंगे, इतने लंबे
You maximize your chances of winning a test match.
Absolutely. I feel like Lords might be the smarter move because Bumrah has a weaker workload.
Yeah.
ठीक है? It's not as hard for him. He'll get the slope.
Yeah.
We know he'll be good. वो तो हमें पता ही है.
वो regardless
ठीक है?
of the
और
pitch.
Edgbaston पे ये यार कि we are expecting a flat deck over there as well because of this dry English summer. और finally आ ही गया ना flat deck summer.
आ गया, yeah.
World Test Championship final में थोड़ा throw off किया था, but even that deck flattened out.
Flattened out.
Eventually we got a flat deck, right?
Yeah.
But दो schools of thought है, ठीक है? What if you are 2-0 down? फिर बुमराह को लाना इतने pressure में. So if you play him at Edgbaston, you play him in conditions which mostly we are expecting to be flat and batting friendly. You want Bumrah to run through the opposition in testing conditions for bowlers.
यार वही है ना.
हाँ.
दो डिफरेंट चीजें हैं ये.
दो different चीजें.
या तो यू असेस के यहाँ पे हमें, जो कि बात ठीक है तुम्हारी, यहाँ पे ज्यादा जरूरत है
जरूरत
हमें.
उनको शायद ज्यादा है Edgbaston पे.
लेकिन दूसरी तरफ लॉर्ड्स है कि आपको पता है कि वहां पे तो वो खा जाएगा.
वो आज लिखवा लो.
हाँ, और खत्म, मतलब वहां पे टेस्ट मैच जीत सकते
हाँ,
हो.
हाँ.
तो क्या करो आप.
यार आई एम टिल्टिंग टुवर्ड्स लॉर्ड्स, मगर मैं शायान से जब बात कर रहा था ना, वो यही मुझे कह रहा था कि यार 2-0 डाउन देन, बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली विदाउट बुमराह इंडिया आर हैंडीकैप्ड.
ये भी
देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट दैट फैक्ट.
वो तो पता चल गया ना.
हाँ,
इस
बिल्कुल
मैच
पता चल
में तुमसे सवाल है, हु वाज इंडिया सेकंड बेस्ट बॉलर इन दिस मैच?
मैंने कल जैरेड से यही पूछा, मुझे भी नहीं आंसर पता, बिकॉज़ ऑफ कोर्स बुमराह गोज ऑन टू टेक व्हाट 5 for 82 in the first innings. England do really well to not give him a wicket in the fourth.
Crawley and Duckett. Crockett
or Duckley.
डकली अगर 0 पे आउट होंगे ना जिस दिन, डकली हो जाए.
जिस दिन ना चले डकली, जिस दिन
चल के तो Crockett.
But I like Crockett. It has a nice
Crockett
ring to it, ठीक है. But yeah, they did a fantastic job to not only see him off initially, but उसके बाद उसको यार take down
किए.
Harry Brook ने भी take down किए बुमराह को, by the way, test match में. But point is that this guy goes on and bowls an otherworldly spell in the first innings.
कितने कैचेस छूटे थे इसकी बॉलिंग पे?
यार India dropped 7, right? Of Bumrah's bowling overall 5 catches were dropped. 1 he dropped himself. ठीक है, उसने क्रॉली को ड्रॉप किया.
4 बाकी फील्डर्स ने ड्रॉप किए.
4 बाकी फील्डर्स ड्रॉप किए, 3 तो जयसवाल ने छोड़ दिया बुमराह पे. Jaiswal dropped 4 catches overall and 3 of them came off Bumrah's bowling. So you've got to feel for the guy. He even dismissed Harry Brook off a no ball. So in another universe or a parallel universe, Bumrah would have ended with a 10 for.
No.
Right?
No.
पहली इनिंग्स में 7-8 ले जाता और फिर मैच ही खत्म हो जाता. If he went on a tear, and we know that he is quality. He might not have had his best game in the 4th innings, ठीक है, because after that first spell he did slip off.
No,
इसमें
obviously.
इसमें कोई शक नहीं है.
मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूँ, it's बुमराह ने बहुत ज्यादा ओवर करवाए हैं.
Yeah, 43.4 is a lot, and that is the other argument that. Sure, you play him at Edgbaston. You don't want to be 2-0 down. You want to play him on a flat deck so that he can still be portable because he's Bumrah. The conditions don't matter. But then you risk breaking him. अगर वो फिर से 45 ओवर्स करा गया, 44 ओवर्स करा गया.
That's an issue जब बाकी bowlers perform ना कर रहे हो, because you have to work in tandem.
You asked me who the second best bowler was, right?
In terms of wickets,
the Prasidh Krishna, right? He ends up taking as many wickets as Bumrah in this test match. 3 in the first innings and 2 in the second. यार, but he goes at over 6 runs and over.
Yeah.
पिट रहा था. I don't have the numbers. Actually, I do have the numbers handy. He went for 3 for 128 in 20 overs. ठीक है, in his first dig.
Yeah.
And then he came back in the 4th innings, 2 for 92 in 15 overs. कुत्तों की तरह मारा है उसे. He was averaging like a boundary per over.
Yeah.
And inconsistent था वो.
था,
थोड़ा सा ना मुझे वो He looked like a poor man's Shane Bond to me at times. His action is
Action
similar,
is
but
similar.
without the back.
हाँ.
He has no back in the action. जो Bond तो पता नहीं 3-4 कमरे लेकर आता था.
और फिर इंजर्ड भी उसी तरह हो जाता था.
तो उसी तरह इंजर हो जाता था. Look, Prasidh Krishna is young. उसका भी शायद टाइम आएगा बाद में. I'm not saying that he is a bad bowler, but there was a
नहीं
massive.
phases आते हैं जहाँ पे he is really good.
Yeah, there was the Ollie Pope delivery, for instance,
Oof,
right?
yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
There is a massive gulf, and we've been saying this for a while. We said this in the Australia series as well, the BGT. That there is a massive gulf between Bumrah and India's next best bowler. क्या था? Siraj was good in patches.
In patches.
Yeah. He was fine on day 5, I feel. और बीच में he
बीच
bowled
हाँ.
a few good
लेकिन
spells.
बाकी filth.
हाँ, बाकी rank, filth.
हाँ.
And then Jadeja was only good towards the end of day 5. उससे पहले आज 7 से डकेट तो उसको चेप रहा था रिवर्स स्वीप पे रिवर्स स्वीप.
जब डकेट आउट हुए उसके बाद वो पोटेंट हुए.
और स्टोक्स की शायद उस वक्त विकेट कोई भी स्पिनर ले जाता था. उस तरह वो रिवर्स स्वीप खेल रहा था. The way he was spamming it, right?
बैश ले जाता.
पता नहीं. मगर बैश
3 विकेट लिए ब्रो.
बैश का मैचअप पता है इसलिए नहीं बनता क्योंकि वो रिवर्स स्वीप तो रिवर्स स्वीप तो फिर
लेफ्टी के लिए तो बेहतर ही हो जाता है.
वही ना.
सो ऑफ स्पिनर.
Exactly. But yeah, I mean, look, that's Jadeja over there who was for the most part disappointing. A lot of people were saying that he's not varying his pace enough, which is true. But also it's not easy for all bowlers to do that. Not everyone is a Maharaj or a Santner. Right?
But Jadeja, yeah, you know he's quality.
But Jadeja,
you know he has that experience.
Is a bit one-dimensional when it comes to varying his pace.
वही मुझे थोड़ा सा इशू है ना. You can, ये तो नहीं है.
हाँ, मगर वो आपकी मसल मेमोरी बन जाती है. और पता है जैरेड भी स्पिनर है. He's a leg spinner, and he was saying that when I started trying to bowl quicker, then I couldn't go back to bowling slower. So अब ये तो किसी स्पिनर से ही बात करनी पड़ेगी. But there are spinners out there who vary their pace. अभी यार ये नोमी पायन और साजिद ने भी किया.
नोमी पायन और साजिद ने काफी effectively किया था.
They even spoke about it in press conferences that we've been varying our pace. And that is quite crucial. But ultimately, I'm not going to scapegoat Jadeja because you weren't looking at him as someone who is just going to blow through England.
हाँ.
ठीक है, वो तो आप hold up one end के लिए आप उसको रखा हुआ है ना आपने.
Defensive bowler है.
हाँ, है तो defensive bowler ही.
और फिर he'll come into play जब day 5 या day 4 पे patches बन जाएंगे, उसके रफ के थ्रू निकाले.
और उसने मारी है रफ में, ऐसी बात नहीं है. He wasn't terrible.
1-2 bounce हुई हैं. That's about it.
I don't know. Like Shardul तो नहीं है. Those 2 filthy deliveries got wickets.
शार्दुल नहीं है, प्रासिद नहीं है, सिराज भी नहीं है, जदेजा भी नहीं है.
So I don't know what the answer is. I guess Prasid because of the wickets. But then again, यार over 6 runs.
Probably Siraj then.
I would take क्या in total कितने मारे? They scored 220 runs of my man Prasid Krishna in 35 overs. Right? 5 विकेट मैं दे दूं इसके लिए. समझ रहे हो? It's a fair trade-off.
I don't know, bro. हाँ नहीं. As a batting team, हाँ दे दो.
बाकी Bumrah actually got his fifer in worse bowling conditions.
No.
When the pitch was very flat. बाद में तो यार for the first 3 days it was mostly just a flat pitch. Then on day 4, the morning of day 4, the ball started doing bits. It was nipping off the surface and it was also shooting off the deck at times. It was kicking up. Okay? Weirdly enough, on day 5, we also saw it nip on this or off the deck a bit, but then it was staying low. देखा था तुमने? So we did see some conditions evolve over test match, but I just want to point out how Bumrah's fifer, his fifer 82, came in testing bowling conditions, and that delivery to Crawley, I mean, what do you do for it?
You can't do
कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते आप उसका. That delivery has your name written on it, regardless of who you are. Crawley हो के root हो या जो भी हो. So अब देखना इंडिया को यही पड़ेगा कि how do they want to assemble their bowling attack. I think Kuldeep को dry conditions में तो लाओ. बिल्कुल लाओ. Even if in the first bowling innings he's not as effective, वो हो जाएगा पोर्टेंट. ठीक है. इंग्लैंड आर अ ग्रेट टीम व्हिच प्लेज स्पिन. डकेट है, रूट है.
हाँ, ये दो ही हैं.
यही है. और तो कोई नहीं है. स्टोक्स ने भी आपको दिखा दिया है. ब्रुक का हमें पता ही है.
Jamie Smith to a certain extent.
Maybe I am impressed with Jamie Smith.
To a certain extent.
I think Jamie Smith could really be something.
Yeah, he's talented.
हाँ, और पता है he has gears. He can be very versatile. He can block and he can just
hit.
Smoke them. वो ground से बाहर मारता है, तो लंबे लंबे छक्के मारता है वो. So I really like him. And you know what? England's batting lineup looks pretty stable as well. So India have more questions to answer, obviously.
After losing a test match, तो है ही है.
I don't think batting पे ज़्यादा obsess करना चाहिए. I would even play the same batting lineup, honestly. Even if Sai Sudarshan and Karun Nair have failed, yeah, you don't give up on people after one test.
एक टेस्ट तो कम ही है. मुझे लगता है दोनों को पूरी सीरीज देनी चाहिए. Unless वो बस बहुत ही गंदा कर.
सादी अगर तो पीछे पड़े होते श्रेयस और सरफराज, तो फिर बंदा कहता कि नहीं यार वो भी पड़े हुए.
अभी ईश्वरन है.
ईश्वरन है, ध्रुव जुरैल है. I mean, it's not like there are guys waiting in the wings who will definitely be better, right? So you might as well take a punt on Sai Sudarshan and Karun Nair.
Sai Sudarshan तो definitely.
हाँ.
करुण नायर का डिपेंड करता है कि अगले 2 टेस्ट मैचेस में क्या करते हैं, उसके बाद देखेंगे, लेकिन अगले 2 तो खेल रहा है।
करुण नायर बेचारे की सिचुएशन बड़ी फर्क है ना यार, he is 33, he is coming back after a long time,
7 years,
he's come back on merit,
obviously scoring tons of runs,
then he gets out to that Ollie Pope catch,
Yeah.
वो भी तो है ना, अब वो
which was the catch of the match?
It was definitely the catch of the match. I know there was a combination catch as well from India.
But नहीं Ollie Pope का
वो क्या साई और जडेजा थे?
Yeah,
but
Jadeja,
Ollie
Sai.
Pope's catch was by and large the catch of the match. In fact, England's catching was terrific in the first innings.
Yeah.
They were spotless, right?
overall fielding भी
overall fielding भी. But I would stick with the same batting. The bowling attack is what India need to figure out. Do they go for a deep?
एक डीप तो आएगा।
अभी तो शैलो थे ना,
अभी देखो अगर बुमराह ना खेला
फिर तो अर्शदीप खेलेगा,
फिर 2 डीप्स आ रहे हैं।
वैसे कोई
Too
पता नहीं,
deep.
हर्षित राणा भी खिला सकता है।
हर्षित राणा apparently picked up a niggle.
That's interesting.
So 2 deep जा रहे हैं
यार हाँ, अर्शदीप एंड कुलदीप तो आ ही जाने चाहिए
अगर बुमराह नहीं अवेलेबल।
Look, if Edgbaston is flat and dry, then you can expect footmarks to come into play and the ball will take some turn later on in the test.
अच्छा what do you do if Bumrah does play?
यार if Bumrah does play, I'll still play Kuldeep. I
वो-
feel like that.
वो तो for sure in
तो-
place of Shardul
मैं
आ
उन
गया।
दोनों को खिलाऊं यार, मुझे ये 20 विकेटें लेके दे सकते हैं। ये आप जब ये दोनों चल गए,
हाँ।
they might not even need a third guy, right?
So कुलदीप तो शार्दुल की जगह डेफिनेटली है।
Done.
If बुमराह प्लेस तो और कोई चेंजेस करो तुम बोलेंगे
यार might as well try Akashdeep ahead of Prasidh, right?
I don't know.
I mean, you want to see which one of those guys is better right now. और वो दोनों एक तरह के बॉलर हैं, हिट द डेक हार्ड काइंड ऑफ बॉलर. सो आई वुड ट्राई आकाशदीप ओवर Prasidh Krishna. I would stick with Siraj for now.
If Bumrah does not play, then Arshdeep comes in.
Arshdeep comes in, he shares the new ball with Siraj. I would still play Akashdeep ahead of Prasidh.
Okay.
And I'm not saying कि Prasidh को मैंने पक्का निकाल दिए. It's a 5 test match series.
Yeah.
I want to know which of these 2 options is better as my first change bowler, right? That's the question I need to answer. So इसलिए मैं आकाशदीप को ले आऊं. मैं कुलदीप तो पक्का खिला रहा हूं.
सही.
And honestly यार, when you've got Jadeja at 7, up until 7 the quality आपके पास.
हाँ.
So you don't worry about your number 8.
Yeah.
You go for those 20 wickets and that's what a certain Virat Kohli used to do.
ना.
है तो सही.
रवि और विराट करते ही थे 20 विकेट लेनी है ब्रो.
ज्यादा मत चढ़ो अभी शुभमन गिल पे. पहला
नहीं गिल पे चढ़ने की तो पॉइंट ही नहीं मुझे समझ आ रहा है यार. फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच एज कैप्टन और ये नहीं था कि ही वाज टीम रोल्ड ओवर बाय इंग्लैंड. They were the better team across 4 days, if you can say.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, whilst India dominated for major chunks, England kept coming back. और उसमें इंडिया की गलती है, उसमें tactical flaw है इंडिया की, शार्दुल वाली. उसके अंदर obviously dropped catches तो हैं ही हैं, but
Bowling quality. Colaspus Maximus बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है इसका.
They are a big part.
हाँ.
But then again, when your team scores 835 runs on aggregate, I don't think it's the batter's fault. Top order तो चल गया ना.
टॉप ऑर्डर का तो कोई टॉप ऑर्डर क्या टिल नंबर 6 तो कोई फॉल्ट नहीं है मेरे लिहाज से. टिल नंबर 5
नहीं चला.
टिल नंबर 5
और उसमें साई भी नहीं चला. But then again, I'm willing to give those guys time, right? I'm fine with that. But you know, ultimately England chased 371 with ease.
Comfortable.
एक nervy moment था.
जब वो डबल विकेट शार्दुल वाली.
Yeah, Shardul on a hat trick, bowling absolute filth, which was just proper Shardul Thakur vibes.
अगले पे आके स्टोक से 3 रन मार.
अच्छा, मैं एक और चीज शार्दुल पे बात करना चाहूंगा. We are in the wobble seam era. You have picked a swing bowler.
ये by the way commentators भी बात कर रहे थे.
Swing is dead.
Commentators बात कर रहे थे इंग्लैंड में swing नहीं है, अब wobble है.
यहाँ पे तो
ये सीम है, either seam or wobble.
जिस तरह की कंडीशन चल रही है वैसे ही स्विंग कुछ खास मिलनी नहीं है. किसी को भी नहीं मिल रही थी, तो शार्दुल को क्या मिलेगी?
ड्राई में तो नहीं मिलेगी ना कंडीशंस पे. रिवर्स स्विंग मिल सकती है, लेकिन वो भी पता नहीं क्या कर रहे थे यार. वो एक उन्होंने दिखाया भी था, प्रासिद कृष्णा दूर से बॉल मार रहे हैं नीचे जमीन
पे मार रहे हैं.
That was stupid.
That was quite stupid. Plus यार, India just went bonkers asking for a ball change.
No.
पागल ही हो गए. I mean, it got a bit annoying. I was like, okay, get on with it, man. क्या पट लिया बॉल चेंज ने? At the end of the day.
At the end of the day, तो कुछ नहीं पता.
और ऐसा नहीं था कि पूरी की पूरी फ्लैट डेक थी आखिरी 2 दिनों पे. Like I said, the ball was rising on day 4 and nipping around, and then the same on day 5, but rather than rising, it was staying low. So Kirkstall lane end था शायद वो जिसपे वो
नाम नहीं पता मुझे.
कर रही थी बॉल, stay low कर रही थी. So it was challenging in bits. The odd delivery that hits a crack would do something. So they had some stuff to work with, especially Jadeja towards the end, right? But yeah, I mean, India really need to figure out their bowling attack.
Yeah.
I think that's a big worry
That is
at
a
this
big-
point.
yeah.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाली सीरीज में आप मुझसे पूछते तो मैं कहता कि दोनों ही वरी, बैटिंग भी मरवा रही है, बॉलिंग भी मरवा रही है, मगर अब इस वक्त I feel like if we're getting a flat deck summer, you don't really need to worry about the batting too much. Ultimately these are Indian batters.
क्वालिटी तो क्वालिटी है ब्रो. मतलब देख लो ना, जायसवाल की इनिंग्स देख लो, गिल की देख लो, राहुल की देख लो, और पंत की डबल
बिल्कुल
ट्विन इनिंग्स, ट्विन हंड्रेड्स.
चारों के चार बड़ा शानदार खेले.
कमाल.
We'll dissect their innings,
कमाल.
of course. We'll come to that. But yeah, I mean, where do you want to go? I feel like we've discussed India's bowling. We don't need to go there again.
I think
Let's go to England's bowling.
इंग्लैंड बॉलिंग कवर करके फिर दोनों की बैटिंग कर लेते हैं. ऐसे ही करते हैं.
I know Josh Tongue ends up taking 7 wickets.
सारी की सारी तो टेल की विकेट्स.
सारी तकरीबन टेल की विकेट्स थी. I know पंत भी उसने आउट किया है, बीच में कुछ अच्छी विकेट्स थी, and I like Josh Tongue. ऐसी बात नहीं है, मुझे पसंद है.
जॉश टंग या टोंग.
I don't mind him. He's also fairly quick. ठीक ठाक pace.
He's all right. Yeah.
बल्कि बीच में कार से ज्यादा ही pace मारा था. But I think England's bowler of the game was Ben Stokes.
It was definitely. Definitely.
First innings, toughest bowling conditions, gets 4 for 66 and 20 overs.
Yes.
Gets a wicket after that as well, gets sidewise. That ball to Jaiswal.
Oof.
That was an absolute
Beaut.
poker.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't do much about that one.
Beautiful.
और यार तुम्हें मैं जरा I want to throw some shade at you.
Okay.
इसने बोला था प्रीव्यू में कि Ben Stokes will bowl in and around Chris Woakes' pace.
5 clicks.
Woakes
faster.
was bowling 120, Stokes was bowling or touching 140.
What touching 140 is not pace,
यार
bro. That's
Stokes
not
was
pace.
अगर माइल्स पर आवर में देखो 85
अच्छा नहीं, he was considerably faster than Woakes.
हाँ.
He's not fast.
He's not express,
हाँ.
but यार if you are averaging in or your clicks are over 85 miles per hour, you're not slow either.
Just by the way, एक और चीज पे थ्रो कर सकते हो मेरे ऊपर शेड. ऑली पोप पे.
नहीं वो मैं तुम पे थ्रो शेड नहीं करते कि हमारी मीडियन वाली बात प्रूव हो गई है.
ऑली पोप की जितनी मैंने बुराइयां की है, एक पॉडकास्ट में और एक आपके पास आएगा.
नहीं हुआ उसमें. ठीक है, बट खैर उस पे आएंगे. I'll come back to the balls per discussion median thing because that kind of proved itself to be
Yes.
right.
अच्छा.
Ben Stokes was England's best bowler for that
100%.
effort. Because you know Josh Tongue wiped out the tail for the most part, took 7 wickets, but चलो wiping off the tail भी एक अच्छी art है.
लेकिन खैर आर्ट तो अच्छी है, लेकिन क्या ही इंडिया के टेल कर रही थी.
I'll say Bryden Cars had his moments in the third innings, especially those deliveries which nipped back in and.
But I like Bryden Cars. I think he's really good.
He got both of Gill and KL Rahul to chop on. वो अच्छी balls थी उसकी, and I do like Bryden Cars. Although I will say this, that England's bowling attack seems to be the opposite of sexy, despite having a tongue in it, right? So I don't know. मुझे मजा नहीं कराया. There was talk by the broadcasters कि Jofra Archer has taken a wicket in his first red ball game in ages.
He's bowled 14 overs.
Mark Wood की fitness पे भी नजर रहेगी.
Mark Wood तो अभी time है उसे.
You do kind of need that one express pace bowler who can rattle the opposition.
Do you think Jofra's coming back in the next test?
I wouldn't be surprised if he features in the series. I feel like next test is too soon.
पहला मैच था 14 ओवर करवाए
थोड़ा तो खेलने दो ना यार. आगे इंडिया के सामने खड़ा
और जोफ्रा का पता है, मुझे लगता है एक टेस्ट मैच देंगे सीरीज में just to test him out because they'll be eyeing him for the Ashes.
अच्छा, by the way एक और बड़ा जबरदस्त स्टैट है जो हमारे नजम नहीं है जानी, उसने एक बोला था कि जरूर मेंशन करना. This was the first test match in history in which there were 7 hundreds and 7 ducks.
Damn.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, I love that stat, right? But anyway, हम बात किसी कर रहे थे?
Ben Stokes.
हाँ. So sure, Cars had his moments. Takes a 3-for in the third innings as well. Tongue wipes out the tail. Bash goes for plenty. Bash को तो ऋषभ पंत खा गया था.
Bash का हेयर स्टाइल देखा?
Inhale कर लिया था ऋषभ पंत ने Bash को.
See.
अच्छा तुम नोट करो बाकी जो इंडियन बैटर्स थे ना, they went in their comfort zone. They were knocking him around.
पंत ने तो ब्रो खा गया.
पंत was like, I'm not having any of this. This is not the sort of bowler I'm going to spare. ठीक है.
तुमने मुझे मैसेज किया था यार, एक ओवर तो मैं भी आराम से सरवाइव कर दूं बैच.
I legitimately feel that I could survive an over of Shoaib Bashir and I don't even know how to bat.
यार मैं एक चौका मार लूं आराम से.
खैर, I don't think he's.
Sorry, Bash.
I still don't think he's England's best option. I feel like Jack Leach is.
I don't know, bro. Leach भी फारिग ही हो गया था.
It's not like they've got a lot of options.
Leach पाकिस्तान में कितना गंदा था.
हाँ.
On turning track.
Well, पहली वाली सीरीज में अच्छा था.
नहीं अभी
बैस बॉल वाली सीरीज में
उस वक्त तो बहुत अच्छा था. अभी जो लास्ट ईयर हुई है
काफी डिसअपॉइंटिंग.
Yeah, it was really bad.
Rehan Ahmed is scoring first class tons.
3 सेंचुरियां. He's
got 3 in this county championship.
किसी ने लिखा हुआ था 7 more to go. Adil Rashid. Yeah. 10 सेंचुरियां.
So you never know, maybe he comes into the fray later on, but फिलहाल तो I feel like Stokesy and McCullum are pretty hell bent on playing Bash. It's fine, ठीक है, whatever. मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं, इसका मतलब तो नहीं कि बेहतर हो नहीं सकता।
बेहतर तो हो सकता है, पोटेंशियल बहुत है लड़के में। दाढ़ी भी निकल आई है अब तो उसकी,
दाढ़ी भी निकल आई है, प्लस उसका है तो
हाई रिलीज पॉइंट तो है, लेकिन बात ये है ना कि
प्रॉब्लम इज कि श्योर बेन स्टोक्स वाज इंग्लैंड्स बेस्ट बॉलर, बट इजंट दैट एन इशू?
That is an issue.
The fact that he's the leader of the attack,
that is a major issue.
it's a massive issue. मतलब कोई
उस तरह
breed a lot of confidence कि Ben Stokes is your best bowler.
कोई उस तरह का बॉलर ही नहीं है जो आपको नहीं यार he's really good.
Yeah.
Stokes is good, लेकिन वही है ना क्या?
And Tongue and Cars have their moments, but on a consistent basis यार मजा नहीं।
लेकिन चलो still they're young.
Voxie picked up a solitary wicket in this test.
Voxie was terrible.
Voxie was slow, wasn't he?
Yeah,
It's really
Voxie
slow.
was terrible.
और बीच में वो जो एक spell मारा था ना इसने, the morning of day 4,
No.
where I don't know how he didn't get one to Nick. Both of Pant and Rahul were struggling.
अच्छा, by the way, Voxie Stokes ने ये stat दिया था कि it's good to have Voxie back in the team because ever since baseball started, McCullum और Stokes की partnership, जब भी वोक्सी टीम में रहे वो टेस्ट मैच नहीं हारे।
यहाँ पे देख लो,
तो अभी भी नहीं।
You remember when he came into the side in the Ashes? They won both the test matches there on. So and he played a very pivotal role.
हाँ, he did. लेकिन इस मैच में बैट के साथ he did थोड़ा सा प्रोलॉन्ग कर दिया था, वो काफी करीब ले गया था फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में।
It was an important knock, and he is a much better option at number 8 than a certain Shardul Thakur. इसमें भी कुछ शक नहीं।
ये तो है। But then again he was disappointing with the ball यार।
Yes.
I expect much more of Chris Woakes.
I think he did
especially in England.
I think he did bowl well in phases. It's just that he
phases
ends up with a solitary wicket, and you expect more from Chris Woakes. You expect him to be the leader of the attack, right? Especially with the new ball in these conditions. खैर ये तो flat deck था, तो मैं उसको कितना ही बोल लूं, मगर यार the fact that he's bowling in the mid 120s
does not
ये
look
तो कोई
good.
मजे का सीन नहीं।
Does not look good, Brev.
Yeah, Brev. What a Fantaloid Brev.
I love that guy.
So I mean, England looked a bit toothless with the ball, but they got the job done ultimately. I suppose दो कुलैफ तो उन्होंने कर दी है ना।
Josh Tongue को
नहीं यार, he does hurry batters.
Credit.
और टेल को वाइप आउट करना भी श्योर टेल वाली विकेट्स है, मगर फिर भी वो
he did hurry Pant in that जिस तरह आउट किया था।
पंत को इसने किया था
LBW,
उसको तो नहीं समझ आई थी इस बॉल की, so you have to give him credit as well, and I feel like you stick with Tom. And अपने स्टॉक्स में तो आप कार्स को भी रखोगे।
अभी सैम को आएगा, मुझे लगता
अगले वाले में नहीं आ सकता।
मुझे लगता है लॉर्ड्स में।
यार you need a quick bowler at edge bastion. That's the issue.
Will they bring back Jofra then? I think they will.
यार अगले टेस्ट में नहीं लाना चाहिए।
मुझे लगता है ले आएंगे। लाना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन मुझे लगता है ले आएंगे।
Wood and Jofra might both feature in this series.
Wood हो क्या रिकवर?
सुना है मैंने कि he might be fit for the 5th test. Right.
माइंड खुश हुई है।
हाँ, उसको बड़ा पसंद है। वैसे पाकिस्तान में मार्क वुड की बड़ी फैन बेस है। Alvina is a big fan.
He's a good looking lad.
He has a very weird Durham accent. और तुमने वो
He's a funny lad.
Have you seen the video in which he's drugged up?
वो funny बंदा है। It's nice. Nice guy.
I don't think there's much else to talk about England's bowling. तो बताओ किधर जाना चाहते हो? There are a lot of centurions to discuss. Who do you want to go for first?
सबसे पहले सेंचुरियन के साथ चलते हैं ना मेरे लिहाज से।
यशस्वी यार,
आपको पता ही हम कितने बड़े फैन है जायसवाल के।
आपको पता ही हम लेफ्टी से कितने बड़े फैन है,
और जायसवाल के बहुत बड़े फैन।
A lot of people raise this argument that what does the Fab Four of the next generation look like?
हमने भी वैसे बाय द वे पोस्ट लगाई थी।
For me it's a Fab
Mine
one.
का idea था।
For me it's an out and out Fab one.
अभी तो है।
हाँ, जायसवाल के लेवल पे I don't think any other batting talent, young batting talent stacks up to Yashasvi Jaiswal's level. He has scored 5 test hundreds in 20 games.
Yeah.
He has scored a ton in his first test match in the West Indies, Australia and England. He absolutely announced himself. When you pitch it up, he will drive you.
Beautiful drive.
Imperiously, ठीक है?
Beautiful.
If you bang it in a bit shorter than that, he will cut you. If you bang it in super short, he will uppercut you. ठीक है? Offside play to die for. Love it. So yeah, and I'm not saying he's just an offside player, but this innings, this 101 that he scored, was pretty much all offside.
Takes down pace and takes down spin.
Yeah, not just takes down, he obliterates pace and spin, and I love that. ठीक है? He looks very assured in his stroke play. सही है? And he is someone who, despite dropping 4 catches, is going to be one of India's biggest stars. If anything, you need to give him more confidence. You're averaging 53 plus as a test match opener in 20 tests.
Oof, that's crazy.
You don't need to worry about these drop catches. Sure, go do extra drills or whatever, but tension nahi leni. What you need to ensure as Gambhir and Gill is to not let this fielding performance affect his batting. ठीक है, ये बड़ा important है।
और young batters या young players को तो काफी ज्यादा इफेक्ट भी करती है इस तरह की चीजें, obviously, क्योंकि अगर देख, लेकिन he was pretty chill about it.
Very chill.
He was dancing in 4th innings. I like that.
I really like the guy. I love his attitude and I love the celebration as well. ठीक है, and like I said, Eventually, I think he might even make India's all-time test team.
Eventually, अभी तो बहुत.
मगर मुझे लग रहा है, मुझे feeling आ रही है कि he'll be opening with Sunny G. ठीक है?
अच्छा.
यार,
वीरू ओवरटेक कर रहा है.
I honestly feel if you've played 20 test matches in the wobble ball era, the base playing pandemic, and you're averaging 53 plus,
Scored 5 centuries.
and you're scoring those centuries all over the world. ठीक है?
West Indies, Australia, England.
It's not like he's a home track bowler. Like you said, he obliterates pace bowling and spin bowling. He is a left-handed opener. Opening batter के लिए तो वैसे ही मुश्किल है स्कोर करना आजकल. यार, there is so much to love. ठीक है?
करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, करंटली मेरे लिहाज से सिर्फ 2 ओपनर्स ही हैं जो स्कोर कर रहे हैं.
ब्रैकेट एंड जयसवाल.
हाँ, और कौन कर रहा है?
इस वक्त तो मेरे ख्याल से और कोई नहीं कर रहा.
नहीं कर रहा.
नहीं, मेरे नजर में तो कोई नहीं. And this kid is 23 years old. He's still a long way away from that age of batting maturity.
अभी हैं इसमें 10-15 साल की क्रिकेट यार, 10 से भी ज्यादा है. 15.
इसमें बहुत खेलना है इंडिया के लिए. And you know what? He's not afraid to use his feet either. There is a bit of brash arrogance about him as well. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Sure, he must have failed in the second or India's second innings.
Doesn't matter, bro.
Was the third
Doesn't
innings.
matter.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that he dropped all those catches. हो जाता है. ठीक है? I know 4 is a bit too many.
It is a bit too many.
But don't vilify him and celebrate him. This guy is a proper talent.
No.
Generational with a capital G.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so Jaiswal को तो मैं कुछ कहना ही नहीं चाहूंगा.
हाँ.
मेरा तो फेवरेट.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
अच्छा भाई, उसके बाद किसने मारी थी सेंचुरी?
Shubman Gill,
the captain.
First innings as India's test captain goes out there and scores a brisk 147.
Yeah, it was lovely.
आते सारी खड़काने लग गया था.
अच्छा, शुरू में 10-1 रन थोड़े से इफी थे उसके. उसके बाद तो प्रो स्मूथ सेलिंग.
यार, ऊपर से ये देखो कि इंडिया were what 91 for 0. Then they became 92 for 2. And then he walks out under pressure and he delivers like that.
56 ball 50.
It might have been a more aesthetically pleasing innings or easy on the eye than Yashasvi. Weirdly
Beautiful.
Enough. Because Yashasvi drove and he cut, but Shubman drove. He
down the
cut,
ground.
He flicked.
Beautiful.
He pulled. एक अजीब सी pull shot मारी.
Yeah.
और यार मतलब both of these guys, you expect them to do wonders for India in years to come. Shubman, I feel, will cut it at number 4. ये उसने कुछ हद तक
साइंस तो दिखा दिया.
I know this was a flat deck or whatnot.
But then again, यार.
नहीं. I mean, I was really impressed. He also fails in the second innings, but then again, 147 under pressure, captain of India, the entire world.
First match as captain of India.
You've got all the eyes in the world or cricketing world on you, and you've delivered like that. और उसकी भी celebration मुझे अच्छी लगी. ठीक है? It really meant a lot to him. And he scored 600s now in Test cricket. He's still averaging a bit low. That will change.
Yeah.
You can honestly, you can count on it. You can bet your money on it.
अभी कितनी होगी?
Yeah, 35 थी ना इससे पहले. So he ends up scoring what 150 odd runs in this Test match, something like that.
Yeah. देख लेते हैं.
Yeah. So अब उसकी हो गई होगी 37, 38 तो हो गई होगी.
Check कर
क्योंकि
ले.
sample size इसका खैर इसका ज़्यादा है. यशस्वी
हाँ,
से.
उससे तो ज़्यादा ही है.
इसके 30s में है Test matches. So you can check real quick. Yeah, but both of these guys, Jaiswal and Gill, have impeccable range. और Jaiswal ने तो चलो ज़्यादा offside play पे आपको दिखाया करके, but offside play to die for. But Gill had a lot of leg side shots as well.
36.57.
Yeah, so अब इसकी थोड़ी आहिस्ता बढ़ेगी. But I wouldn't go on the averages for now.
He's a terrific player.
Yeah, and you know what? Batting at number 4 will help him. He will get to face the older ball a bit more. Median entry point इसका थोड़ा बदलेगा.
Unless 0 for 2 हो जाए इंडिया तो.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो एक अलग बात.
नहीं यार, इसने जिस तरह कैपिटलाइज किया सिचुएशन पे, इंडिया were 92 for 2 at lunch.
Yeah.
Then they were 215 for 2 at tea. And then ultimately they were 430 for 3. वो उनका मसला है कि वो 471 पे ऑल आउट हो गए.
लेकिन वहां से वैसे खैर.
They had an opportunity to score 600.
Yeah.
Let's be real. ठीक है? They do kind of botch it over there. और पता है बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. Gill has said that the dropped catches hurt India.
They did.
Gambhir has said that the collapse.
They did.
They hurt India. I think all of these things. It was a combination. Dropped catches, 7 of them.
7 बहुत ज़्यादा.
ठीक है. The batting collapses.
वो भी बहुत heavy collapses थे.
The tactical flaw. And the fact that their bowling attack didn't look like one which could take 20 wickets.
Yeah.
It's a combination.
Yeah.
So you have to look at it in totality. But anyway, और गिल की क्या ही बात करें यार. The future looks bright for both Jaiswal and Gill. I really like these guys.
Yes. अच्छा, उसके बाद फिर तीसरा सेंचुरियन था. उसकी एंड पे बात करें. पहले केएल पे आ जाते.
लोकेश की बात कर.
केएल पे आ जाते. केएल भी solid.
Forget the 137 for a bit. Let's talk about the
42. Brilliant.
शानदार 42.
Beautiful.
इसकी ड्राइवें ज्यादा खूबसूरत है जायसवाल से.
बहुत खूबसूरत.
And you know what he does? He plays the ball super late, which is a very valuable skill to have in England.
Yeah.
इसके पास बड़ा टाइम है साथ. और पता है KL Rahul, when you look at his average of around 34, you're like, how is this real? How is it possible?
उसने खुद भी बोला है, कहता है
Ollie Pope की समझ आती है मुझे. That guy's random as fuck. But KL Rahul यार is a proper talent. He's like an Aiden Markram.
केएल ने बोला भी है ना कि यार when I look at my average I do get a bit मतलब हो जाता है मुझे कि क्यों इतनी कम है. But then again I want to play impactful knocks for India from now on and not look at the average.
His first innings knock was impactful.
It was,
he was driving the ball over and over again, and then he got out to the drive. I don't mind that. ठीक है, it was so many balls were there to drive. लग रही थी उसकी, चलो वो मारते हुए out हो गया, fair है यार. KL Rahul has opened in England before, has been successful at it. He scored 150 odd from what I can recall. He was good for India and Australia, even though he ends up with an average of 30 or something, but still अच्छी series थी KL के लिए. ठीक है,
समझ नहीं आती मुझे.
Like I said, plays the ball late. His wagon wheel was so good looking. Shots all around the park.
Beautiful.
All around the park. But you know what? Despite his delightful stroke play and a terrific looking wagon wheel, the thing that impressed me most about KL Rahul was all of those leaves. The morning of day 4, the way he left the ball.
Beautiful, yeah.
बहुत आसान था nick करना वहाँ पे. I think Sanjay Manjrekar was throwing shade at Virat Kohli at one point, saying that another batter would have nicked one.
संजय को तो साइड पे करो.
पता नहीं क्या हो गया संजय को, थोड़ा सा ना
सॉल्टी वो भी हो गया.
हाँ, I don't know, at times he was defending Kohli a lot और अब पीछे ही पड़ गया. ठीक है यार, बेचारा रिटायर हो गया, छोड़ो, जान छोड़ दो.
जब ODIs आएंगे ना तब देखना.
Leave him alone, just leave him alone.
अच्छा, केएल की बात
यार. हाँ, केएल देखो खूबसूरत 3 बैटर.
Beautiful.
And I mean he is the senior batter for India. Ollie Pope at the end of day 3 said that he is the big fish. We need to get KL because he can bat for long periods, and he did that. 137 इसने की है आके third innings में. His away record stands out. Every now and then he'll score these away hundreds. In fact, I believe, Sadi, I know you're digging deep into this. Check करना. I feel like he has no away 50, just away hundreds.
Let me check.
ऐसा कोई रिकॉर्ड है KL का. ठीक है.
He has नहीं यार.
Also the best here in this test match.
He has 7 away 50s, 8 away 100s.
सेना का होगा फिर वो.
शायद सेना का.
Yeah. I think ऐसा कुछ रिकॉर्ड है इसका. But 8 away hundreds is also quite considerable. Totally इसके 9 है शायद.
नहीं, सेना का भी नहीं है bro.
अच्छा, anyway, वो शायद किसी ने गलत लिख दिया होगा. But 900s है ना KL के.
Total 900.
8 have come away from home.
Yeah.
He is an away 100 scorer, and honestly, like, in this next phase for India, it's a very important batter.
Yes.
Okay? And he ends up as India's second highest run scorer in this game with 179 runs on aggregate. 42 and 137. And that 137, Sadi, comes in tougher batting conditions than the first innings, right? The ball is doing bits. It's nipping around off the deck, and a few balls are really rising. He has to deal with a lot. He has a few spells of Cars and Chris Wokes, which are tough.
Yeah.
It was like very, very easy to nick one. He managed to not do that, and he continued to march on. मैं तो बहुत impressed था.
ये थोड़ा अंडरवेलमिंग सी इसकी स्टैट्स है.
Dig deep, बताओ.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 25 की एवरेज है. बांग्लादेश चलो 14 की एवरेज है, 2 टेस्ट ही हैं उधर. इंग्लैंड में 39.6 है. इंडिया में 39.6 है. साउथ अफ्रीका में 28, श्रीलंका में 33.5, सिर्फ वेस्ट इंडीज में 40 अबव है. दैट इज 48.14.
Underwhelming तो कहते ना है. We always mention him in the same breath as Aiden Markram. These are two talents which were supposed to dominate world cricket, but they have sub 30 averages.
And I'll add Babar Azam to that as well. अभी तक.
तो अभी खैर he's still averaging 40 plus in test cricket.
But then again.
यार, he enjoyed peaks that these guys didn't see. So I'm not going to club him with these guys.
अब तो है ना. चलो. Unfulfilled talent up till now तो तीनों आ सकते हैं.
I suppose, but you're being a bit too harsh right now on Babar.
नहीं, अभी तक तो आ सकते हैं. बाबर ने 2023 से सेंचुरी नहीं मारी भाई इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में.
2023 में अगर तुम जाओ तो
मैं अभी तक की बात कर रहा हूँ ना.
Look, you know why I will protect Babar over here is because he did have a very big patch in between.
He was
when
great.
He dominated in Test cricket in the wobble seam era, this spring pandemic.
मैं कह रहा हूँ he was great, लेकिन अगर आज तीनों के करियर खत्म हो जाए तो तुम कहोगे ना यार अनफुलफिल्ड टैलेंट है. ये बात कर रहा हूँ.
आज खत्म हो जाए मैं बोलूंगा.
यही कह रहा हूँ.
But you know what, KL might just be prolific in these years to come.
It's his time to shine now यार. मतलब जितना प्यारा बैटर है ये, और he's got everything.
Yes.
He's got everything. सब कुछ है.
All those people who love to take the piss out of KL Rahul.
बेचारा.
छुप जाओ जाके, go hide.
यार एक तो आजकल के बच्चे ना कह रहे थे KL ने बहुत स्लो सेंचुरी मारी. सर पकड़ी.
उसने बिल्कुल परफेक्ट सेंचुरी मारी. You know what he said after this knock? He said, "Not for a minute did I feel that I was in." ठीक है. That tells you that those conditions were testing for KL Rahul, and he delivered, with aces. That was a fantastic knock. That 137, brilliant.
Brilliant.
और इसकी वो जो controlled pull है मुझे बड़ी पसंद. ठीक है, फिर वही बात है यार, आई एम नॉट गोना गो इनटू हिज शॉर्ट ब्रेकडाउन, ही हैज गॉट एवरीथिंग, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सरप्राइज्ड कि ये ज्यादा चला क्यों नहीं।
ये तो मसला है ना। हाँ,
स्लोकेश होगा वो।
डू यू वांट टू पुट पंत ऑन होल्ड?
पंत ऑन होल्ड कर दें,
पंत को लास्ट में ना डिस्कस करें।
पंत को लास्ट में डिस्कस किया जा सकता है।
इंग्लैंड बैटिंग पे आ जाता, क्योंकि पंत ने जो किया है ना उस पे तो थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगना
नहीं, मगर फिर इंग्लैंड में भी एक बंदा है जिसको ज्यादा टाइम देना है।
दो
एक बंदा तो बहुत ही, वो तो मेरा फेवरेट बंदा है ना।
अच्छा, क्या करें फिर
यार? आई थिंक पंत
पता क्या करते हैं, जानीज ब्रेक ले लेते हैं। आप लोग जानी ऑफ द प्रो स्पोर्ट्स पॉडकास्ट बन सकते हैं, 2-3 तरीके हैं। पेट्रियन लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, और इजी पैसा 0319360255 इज द नंबर। जानीज है क्या, ये भी बता दूं, ये तो बताया नहीं मैंने। डिस्कॉर्ड का एक सर्वर है हमारा, ये बहुत ज्यादा लोग मेरे से उस दिन पूछे थे। वी हैव वन सर्वर जहाँ पे फ्री लोग भी सारे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, और उसके अंदर एक ग्रुप है जानीज का, जहाँ पे आप बहराम और मेरे से और माहिन और हर एक से बात कर सकते हैं
एक्सक्लूसिवली, एक्सक्लूसिव, सिर्फ।
और भी उसके अंदर काफी ज्यादा हमारा जो डिस्कॉर्ड का मॉडरेटर है, जो कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मिलेगा।
Also, Indian Janis, we've got you sorted as well.
मैं बताने लगा था।
Patreon के ऊपर ही हमने एपिसोड्स डालना शुरू कर दिया।
सो सीन ये है कि वो काफी ज्यादा उसके अंदर फैंटेसी और प्रिडिक्शंस की गेम्स भी बहुत ज्यादा चल रही हैं। बाकी हमारी ये वाले जो पॉडकास्ट हैं आप पेट्रियन पे जाके देख सकते हैं, अगर आप हमारे जानी बनते हैं वहाँ पे। उसके लिए हमने एक स्पेशल टियर निकाली है $1.5 की, कि अगर आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो आप सारी वीडियोस देख सकेंगे इफ़ यू कांट एक्सेस यूट्यूब एनीवेयर अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड। और क्या तरीके हैं यार जानी बनने के?
क्या जानी बनने के बथेरे तरीके हैं।
बथेरों
If you live under a rock in 2025, we've still got you sorted. Online banking नहीं है, no problem. Saad and I live in Islamabad, and our office and studio is situated in the E11 3 Merkaz. So come seek us out. और मुंह पे मारो 1500 रुपए and for 1500 payment we will make you Jani for 1 month. You can also give the Pro Sports Podcast an authentic sports jersey, not a knockoff. कोई भी sport हो, कोई भी team हो, domestic, international, doesn't matter, it should be authentic. Per authentic sports jersey will make you Jani of the podcast for 6 months, and I encourage you to do so because Saad and I, we are on a mission, and our mission statement is to change the landscape of sports/cricket coverage in Pakistan. We've had enough of this sensationalism, sansani-kheziyan, masaledar khabrein, and we are promoting intelligent sports and cricket discourse. So come become a part of this inclusive community. Aajo, come kiya maine tere liye.
ऋषभ पंत,
एक और चीज डिस्कस करूं मैं। We spoke of India's drop catches, you know.
इंग्लैंड के नहीं किया।
7 drop catches for India, of course. 5 of Bumrah's bowling, एक उसने खुद छोड़ा।
बात कर चुके हैं।
4 जायसवाल ने छोड़े। ठीक है।
हाँ, इंग्लैंड ने कितने छोड़े?
इंग्लैंड ने भी 4 छोड़े। I know there are 2 half chances in there because the Stokes one really wasn't a drop catch. उसने चौका रोका if anything, right? And that ducket catch towards the end, he didn't quite reach it, but he could have. ठीक है, तो उसको भी मैं half chances में डाल देता हूँ. There was one really easy catch that Brook dropped, and then there was one that should have stuck in Duckett's hand at क्या कहते हैं backward point. वैसे वो backward point 4th slip गली रीजन के अंदर ना बहुत कैचेस ड्रॉप हुए, छोड़ ही जा रहे थे लोग।
अच्छा, कोई कह भी रहा था, मुझे याद नहीं है मैं किसको देख रहा था, कि हेडिंगली में कैचेस पकड़ना बड़े मुश्किल है। हाँ, that's what I heard.
खैर, जब 11 ड्रॉप हो जाएंगे मैच में तो लोग इस तरह की बातें तो
करेंगे।
Yeah, but then again, my point is that it's not like England didn't drop catches. Sure, they were spotless in the first innings and Ollie Pope took that early, right? But then again, this is why I feel like it's not just the drop catches that you can pin this on. ठीक है, India के, because England also dropped them and ठीक है, Sai वाला didn't hurt, but you know, बीच में 1-2 did hurt.
Yeah. अच्छा, पंत,
ऋषभ पंत, और as Inzamam ul Haq says, Rishi Pant. ठीक है, और सईद अजमल कहता है जे रूट। आई लव दोस्त।
यार वो जो नहीं बोलता होगा ना, जे डॉट रूट बोलता होगा।
खैर यार, 134 in his first dig and 118 in the second. Rishabh Pant was doing Rishabh Pant things with that fall over scoop, expansive shots, pokey shots, but then Sadi, he was also not doing punt things.
In the third innings.
So many leaves. He was in the 90s for an eternity. He had this internal battle going on with himself where he was talking to himself as well. क्या कर रहे हैं? And I love this guy. मेरा बड़ा ही कोई favorite player है यार. A lot of these guys in India's team are very likable, right? Jaiswal, Pant, Bumrah, of course. Gill को भी डाल दो, ठीक है? And he has this. When you watch Rishabh Pant bat, ठीक है? It is a visceral experience. He has this freedom of expression about himself.
Bro, something else. It's not test cricket, bro. And I love it.
His method is so mad.
It is mad.
कि आप कहते हो कि यार ये क्या बंदा है?
आपको लग रहा होगा मैडनेस के पीछे मेथड नहीं है लेकिन है.
बहुत मेथड है. And plus, you know, not everyone will get it. Even though he's won Sunny G over, but Sunny G did say stupid. Ravi Shastri की commentary सुना करो कभी. He keeps talking about the percentages game. That ठीक है यार, Pant plays this way, it won't come off every time, but this is a guy
when it comes off, it comes off, bro.
And if you're averaging 44.4 after 44 tests as a wicket keeper bat, then it's coming off more often than not.
Yes, sir. हाँ.
बड़ा एक अजीब stat था Pant का कि every time he has scored 100 in Senna, and he scored 600 in Senna.
That's crazy.
Across 5 test matches, right? India has lost every single time, and that's such a tragedy.
That's weird.
Yeah, वैसे इसके 90s ने जिताए हैं.
90s ने जितवाए हैं लेकिन 100s ने.
यार इसके कितने रिकॉर्ड थे इस मैच में. I really feel sorry for him. He's really unlucky to finish on the losing side because he became only the second wicket keeper batter in Test cricket to score twin hundreds in a Test match.
Andy Flower.
Andy Flower was the first. He did it in 2001 versus South Africa. ठीक है. Rishabh Pant has become the second. He also became the first Indian batter to score twin hundreds versus England in a Test match.
Yes.
ठीक है. ये किसी ने भी नहीं किया हुआ. Sachin, Sunny G, Dravid, no one has achieved that.
Was he the first Asian to score twin hundreds in England as well?
ये मुझे नहीं पता.
I think so.
He might have been. ठीक है. There is another fun one. No other wicket-keeper batter in history in Test cricket in England has scored 252 runs on aggregate in a Test match.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's absolutely insane. And also, 4 of his 8 Test hundreds have come in England. 6 out of his 8 hundreds have come in Senna. And you know, 4 hundreds in England is the joint most for any wicket-keeper batter in England ever. He's level with Alex Stewart and Matt Pryor.
Acha, including English players. That's crazy.
That is insane, bro.
No.
Rishabh Pant is operating on his own planet. He makes his own rules. He bats so peculiarly. Like, honestly, at times it's weird. ये one-handed shots जा रही हैं. इसकी pokey shots भी होती हैं.
क्या है ये?
इसका dab to third man बड़ा खूबसूरत है. But then he'll just go for
unconventional. I love it.
Expansive shots. You don't even know what he'll do when he'll do. निकल कर मारने लग जाएगा.
हल्की सी शॉट कराओ तो गई मिड विकेट के ऊपर से.
I think on his second delivery in both innings, he just walked down the pitch and attacked. एक दफा Stokes को he pelted him over his head.
Stokes हंस रहा था आगे से.
और फिर Voxy को slips के ऊपर से उसकी निकल गई कतरी. ठीक है.
Stokes हंस रहा था आगे से. क्या है यार ये बंदा?
Look, fortune favors the brave. Rishabh Pant plays a style of cricket which might not be as appreciated in India, but if you understand him, he is worth his weight in platinum.
I think अब तो सारी appreciate.
He is a game changer, Sadi. He walks into India's all-time Test team. Doesn't he?
If he has won over Sunny G, then he's won over, I think, everyone.
You take him over Dhoni?
In Test cricket,
yes.
Pant gets in.
और अभी तो उसका बड़ा करियर बचा है. अभी तो 44 टेस्ट मैचेस है. He's 27 years of old.
Years of old हो गया.
He's 27 years of age. He's averaging 44.4.
अच्छा, अगर कोई कहता है ना कि he doesn't get into India's all-time Test 11, वो अपने आप से झूठ बोल रहा है.
This is not even a matter of debate or anything. This is already happened.
Facts.
I don't think there should be any question about this, yeah. And look, he has impressed us all so much over the years. He has won games for India. It's really tragic that in all of these games where he scored these 6 tons in Senna, India haven't won a
उसके बाद फिर शोएब बशीर को तो खा गया था यार.
Annihilated him. Obliterated him. He inhaled him. Snort. यार वही मैं एक बात फिर से करूंगा. Every other Indian batter was in their comfort zone. They were like, we'll lock him around. But was like, nah, I can't just let this guy go. इसको तो मैं छिक दूंगा. दोनों innings में. पड़ी का था शोएब बशीर को यार. He just took him on like anything. और वो पंत की शॉटें इस तरह की होती है ना, ब्रेव किस्म की. Do you remember that one in which he goes for like a slog sweep versus Cars? He top edges it. It's in the air forever and then it's a 4. That's his method, man. And he'll pick and choose his deliveries. He has a certain randomness about him. Because it's not like he can't do the other thing. मगर जब रोकता है बड़ा अजीब लगता है. वो आउट भी इसी तरह हुआ टॉम. समझ नहीं आ रही थी उसको कि यार ये रोकनी किस तरह. But I love the guy. I feel like he's going to be a very important player for India in this entire series. And again, it's such an inspirational story the way he comes back from a life-threatening injury.
So he's better than before.
Always plays his cricket with a smile on his face.
Just by the way, India और BCCI या जो भी इनका ख्याल रखता है ना players का, good work on that because हमने देखा है बुमराह जब इंजरी से वापस आया, he got better.
Yes.
पंत इस सारे के थ्रू वापस आया, he got better. लोगों के साथ नहीं होता इंजरी के बाद ये.
और पता है when it comes to wicket keeper batters, बात तुमने वैसे बिल्कुल ठीक की है. दोनों लोग तो बुमराह इस इंजरी से वापस आए, they've been better.
But
the uninhibited and brazen nature of Rishabh Pant's batting is something I've only seen in one other wicketkeeper bat.
Adam Gilchrist.
Yeah. मैंने और नहीं देखा यार. Test cricket में
नहीं.
देखा. अब Baz में भी
Baz
Baz कीप नहीं करता था ना यार. वो बहुत थोड़े ऐसे के लिए कीपिंग की उसने टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, वरना कोई और कीपिंग करता था. Your BJ Watlings and whatnot, right? So maybe I can't kind of club him in that, but he is kind of India's Gilchrist, isn't he? And he bats at 5, so he's versatile.
Yeah.
He's proven it, right? He's proven that theory that he should be batting at 5. Correct.
हाँ 100%.
और फिर left too.
I wouldn't change India's batting order now.
नहीं.
हाँ.
Yeah. Big fan. Hope we get to see a lot more knocks from Rishabh Pant. Hope we get to see a lot more somersaults. The backflip मारी उसने. That also kind of epitomizes him. But I love the fact कि जब दूसरा 100 मारे ना, you didn't see any fancy celebrations.
और फिर जब out भी हुआ तो बैट को किस कर रहा था. Amazing scenes. I love him. I love him. Brilliant player.
Brilliant player. Are truly blessed to have someone like him in their ranks. He is, by and large, I know like there are 2 batters currently, or 3 batters if you count Jamie Smith, who average over 40 with the bat in Test cricket, contemporary Test cricket. But Pant is the best of them.
विकेट कीपर्स की बात कर रहे हो.
Rizwan
Pant और स्मिथ है. I take Pant over both of them.
Yep. And I know he drops a catch as well. ऐसी बात नहीं है. But you don't take away the gloves from him, man.
हाँ नहीं और नहीं राहुल को ना
ध्रुव जुरैल आकर कीपिंग कर रहा और पंत कीपिंग नहीं कर रहा.
नहीं पंत फील्ड पे नहीं डालो.
हाँ ये भी.
पंत को
he has been fitted post injuries.
हाँ. अच्छा जी, इंग्लैंड की बारी आ गई.
खत्म हो गई इंडिया की बैटर्स.
और कौन है?
Damn.
5 सेंचुरियां डिस्कस कर ली. साई की क्या बात करें, नायर की क्या बात करें, और
give them time यही बात
और कुलैस्पस की क्या बात करें.
हाँ.
अच्छा जी, इंग्लैंड. Where do you want to start this off from?
Yeah, let's actually start with Zach Crawley.
Okay.
I'll tell you why.
Okay.
He scored 65 of 126 in the 4th innings.
Unlike Zach Crawley.
Very uncharacteristic of Zach Crawley. It also kind of doubles down on our theory that this is the 3rd iteration of Bazball, in which they're using more of their brains.
I mean, एक तो पहले तो बुमराह खा गया था उसे पहली इनिंग्स में, लेकिन तीसरी इनिंग्स में ही सॉ हिम ऑफ. उसने कहा यार नहीं देनी विकेट.
Also he was lucky at times. He kept going for the pull shot.
He is lucky.
बार-बार या बीट हो रहे हैं टॉप पे जो रही है. मैंने कहा यार छोड़ दे तू, ना मारिए. अच्छा, Varun was really frustrated. He was like, I'm fine with India losing this. I'm not fine with England winning this with Crawley having a strike rate below 50. और वो जैसे ही उसकी 50 से ऊपर की strike rate आउट हो गया. But look, his 65 of 126 tells you a few things that England are now, playing according to the situation and phases of
in
the
a
game.
situation in heaven, yeah. Oh, you are.
And sure, he might have been lucky, but then again, you've got to give him credit. Yeah, his partnership of 188 with Ben Duckett is the highest 4th innings opening stand for England since 2001.
Trescothick and
Athers and Trescothick versus Pakistan at Old Trafford, Manchester. So यार 24 साल ठीक है, काफी होते हैं वो.
काफी ज़्यादा होते हैं.
Credit देना पड़ेगा. When he got out, England needed less than 200 runs, right? बल्कि they had scored more and they needed less. इस तरह की situation बनी हुई थी. They needed what 183, I suppose. अब मुझे मैथ सही नहीं आ रही तो
math,
quick math. ठीक है. So चलो यार, good on you Zach Crawley. And वो कहता था ना Baz McCullum that even when he gets out cheaply, we give him like a cigar and a whiskey. So I wonder if they will take away his cigars and whiskeys now, or they will double down on it.
I don't know.
This was an un-Zach Crawley like innings.
Un-Bazball like innings.
Have you seen the Twitter account? Zach Crawley वाला.
Zach Crawley does things.
वो बड़ा funny लगता है मुझे. अच्छा, उसके बाद आ जाओ J Root पे.
J Root पे आ जाए. चलो जो रूट पे.
50s वाली की बातें पहले
चलो.
Build up to Duckett.
नहीं पोप भी तो है.
पोप second last हो. सही है. जो रूट की यार मैं ज्यादा बात नहीं करूंगा. He is an India destroyer. We know that already.
He is the best test batter in the world.
Contemporary Test cricket में he has been the best test batter in the 2020s. ठीक है. And he averaged 58.8 versus India before this test. इस match में average थोड़ी बढ़ी गई होगी because he ends up scoring 70 or 81 runs and gets dismissed once, right? And
बड़ी तो नहीं होगी.
You look at how he soaked in the pressure.
क्या होगी?
नहीं बड़ी होगी.
हाँ बड़ी होगी.
So क्या unbeaten on 53 delivers under pressure when England lost those 2 wickets. It did get a bit tricky. It could have gone either way. They still needed 118 runs.
वहाँ पे रूट आउट हो जाता तो कुछ भी हो सकता था क्योंकि स्टोक्स तो कुछ नहीं करने वाला, कुछ नहीं कर रहा था उस वक्त.
Again, another guy who has a lot of time. ठीक है, and he is literally the guy for England who always delivers under pressure, and also yeah, he's that engine that has been making this team tick for a long time. These guys play their shots around Joe Root.
He is the most important cog in that machine.
Yeah, undoubtedly. I mean, he is close to overtaking Ricky Ponting and becoming the second most prolific run scorer in Test cricket history. So there's that as well. Magar, first he gets dismissed by Bumrah.
Yeah.
काफी लोगों ने वो shot मारी है, by the way. A few people played that shot. Some got out, some didn't. Joe Root did get out, right? Because there were so many catches dropped. But I feel like he's still the most important wicket for India. I know he's not the best batter in this game, but that's a very important 53 that he plays. I know Jamie Smith भी बड़ा शानदार खेला, but Root ज़्यादा important था. He's the guy who brings in the composure.
Yes.
He's the guy who kind of deflates India's hopes.
कि जब तक Root खड़े तब तक नहीं. इसलिए मुझे लगता है बुमराह भी आखिरी स्पेल नहीं करवाने आया.
He is an India destroyer. He is a pressure player, and पता है, I wasn't checking the market, but अगर जो Root out हो जाता ना, I think India favorites हो जाते यार.
जल्दी आउट हो जाता था, obviously.
20 पे भी आउट हो जाता.
हाँ. तुम्हें क्या लगता है इस वजह से बुमराह को नहीं लेके आया वो कि यार अब क्या ही तोड़ना है बुमराह को?
I think वो preserve ही करना चाहता. Look, England required 22 runs when the second new ball became available. ठीक है. And yeah, at that point, I was really excited कि यार one last spell Bumrah, let's do this.
एक ओवर तो दे देता, क्या पता वो निकाल जाता और फिर.
He wasn't even on the field, sir. वो तो मसाज कर रहा था अर्शदीप उसे बाहर बैठा.
देखो ना.
Yeah. तो पता नहीं, maybe it was a workload management thing. Maybe they had given up, but I wouldn't have. You've got a certain Jasprit Bumrah, वो 2 विकेट एक ओवर में ले जाए, खुल गया.
वो 5 के 5 आउट कर सकता है.
फिर वो 22 रन भी मुश्किल लगेगी. And he wasn't at his best in the fourth innings, but it's not like he bowled too poorly. First spell was amazing. उसके बाद पिटा भी थोड़ा सा. I know, like there was this one newspaper clipping जिसकी विश ने तस्वीर लगाई थी.
Squeaky Bumrah time.
वो बीच में लीकी बुमराह टाइम हो गया था. मैंने कहा यार ये तो काफी रन्स पड़ रहे हैं. And Brook also dominated him for a bit in the first innings.
जिसमें मुझे लगता है आ जाना चाहिए.
Harry Brookie होता है.
Harry Brookie.
Such a weird test match for Harry Brookie.
99 and duck.
और गंदी बॉल पे down the leg side triangle हो गया है Shardul out of all people. He could have bagged a pair.
He could have.
Yeah, वो no ball पे out हो सकता था. And here's a fun stat for you. Harry Brook in the last 12 months has been dismissed or has given 27 catching opportunities, out of which 13 have been dropped.
That's
crazy.
So weird.
He has to be one of the most fortunate batters around.
आधी almost catches उसके drop हुए हैं.
बिल्कुल. और एक उसने खुद भी किया, ठीक है, kind of balancing act करने के लिए. But I mean, I do think he is a special talent. Might not be at the same generational level because he can't play spin as well. I keep repeating myself. अगर pace के खिलाफ तो I have no real issues. He's also someone who plays very high risk shots and he's aggressive.
नहीं जब शॉटे मारता है तो खूबसूरत मारता है, bro.
बेसबॉल स्विंग,
golf swings, bro.
golf swing तो फुलर लेग डिलीवरी मारता है ना, मुझे बेसबॉल से ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है जो शॉर्ट लेग.
नहीं जब मारता है तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है. मुझे थोड़ा सा ये है, एक सवाल आया. Do you think he's a bit overrated?
I think he is not at that Jaiswal level of talent because of the whole spin thing, because Jaiswal can obliterate both pace and spin. Brook struggles versus spin. And he got lucky this game. Let's not forget. Like, he could have bagged a pair. But then again, his 99 was very important. और जिस तरह वो the way he kind of walks down the surface and smashes the ball on the offside. He's very strong offside play.
Very strong.
And he can create his own length as well.
वो देखा था जो वो भी गिरते हुए स्कूप मारी थी.
He scored a punch shot.
पंच पीछे खड़ा हो देख रहा था उसे. ये कैसी हिम्मत हुई है इसकी करने की?
Yeah. Look, I mean, I still feel like whenever you have these sort of surfaces, you'll get the best out of Harry Brook, and I have no issues with him playing on flat decks and Senna decks even. Even when there is lateral movement.
I mean, Behram, obviously he'll play in spin conditions as well.
Yes.
अब वो कितना successful होता है वो एक अलग बात.
वो है मसला.
वो खेलेगा तो सही हर मैच.
यार उसको काफी जलील किया था नोमी पायरो साजिद. अब मुझे याद नहीं किससे ज्यादा विकेट ली थी उसकी. I think it was साजिद लड़ गया था.
साजिद हैरी ब्रूकी को
लड़ गया था, ठीक है. और वो क्या विकेट ले रहा था मुझे तो ये याद है, मूछे ट्वर्ल करके वो ये करके. But yeah, I mean, look, I'm not going to take anything away from the 99 because it was very important for England. And all of those cameos, by the way, Vokes का cameo, Cars का cameo, Smith के 40, ये
बड़े important थे, बहुत
important.
जहाँ पे उनकी टेल ने कुछ नहीं किया, इनकी टेल ने वो क्या 6 रन की लीड थी फर्स्ट इनिंग्स में, वहां तक लेके गए.
सिर्फ डेफिसिट 6 रन्स का था. England ended up with 465 and funnily enough India's 471 is the lowest all-out total in Test history where 3 different batters have
Scored
scored
100. Yeah.
Yeah, that's also a fascinating stat, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, look, Harry Brook is still averaging like way over 50, isn't he? 55, 56,
No.
maybe even like 58 tak iski average hogi, batting average. And played that fall scoop as well, fall over scoop. He is a delightful batter to watch. He is high risk. He will score his aerial shots and he will walk down the pitch and whatnot. But then again, I think कि इसका पूरे तरीके से हम तभी analysis कर सकेंगे when he kind of conquers his
Spin
bowling
demons.
Yeah,
Yeah.
वो बहुत बड़े demons हैं,
No.
and those cannot be ignored.
अच्छा, Ollie Pope पे आ जाते हैं फिर.
Oh, by the way, he was dropped twice.
हाँ. Yes.
Despite being out on
no
no
ball.
ball,
He was dropped twice.
he was dropped twice. तो किस्मत बहुत चली है भाई.
Ollie Pope.
Yeah, man. Ollie Pope, तुम बताओ मुझे.
अगला सेंचुरी मार के और मैं कह रहा था यार क्यों क्या है ये मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद
वैसे बड़ी खूबसूरत इनिंग्स थी फर्स्ट इनिंग्स
अच्छी थी
ही वाज वेरी स्ट्रांग ऑफ हिज लेग्स
और स्पेशली विद ऑल दैट बैगेज के शुड ही प्ले शुड मतलब is he England's number 3
that was the talk of the town prior to this test match should he be England's number 3 or should it be Jacob Bethel right and Ollie Pope kind of silenced his cricket critics over here. He doesn't do all too well when he comes out to bat in his second innings in a test match. ठीक है ये इसका मसला है और खैर he got a decent delivery from Prasidh but वो पता नहीं मुझे कोई इतना convincing नहीं लगता. His average of 35 odd in test cricket actually makes sense to me because if you remember
I think ज़्यादा है
if you remember the fun stat that we shared to median I'll always credit Varun Alvaconda for it. Alvaconda baby. So the stat goes that oh by the way median balls per dismissal का मतलब है 50% of the times that he's batting. Varun really simplified for me. मैं पता नहीं क्या समझाने लग गया. So his median balls per dismissal ratio in Test cricket is third worst, only behind Stuart Broad and Shane Warne amongst batters who have more than 3,000 Test runs. That is a dodgy statistic. And
very dodgy.
This Test match kind of proves it. You know when he scores 30 in a Test match, he starts averaging 87. और उसके अलावा वो सारा वक्त फेल ही होता रहता है.
जब 30 करता है मुझे लगता है वो सेंचुरी मारता है.
87 एवरेज करे तो करीब तो पहुंच ही रहना सेंचुरी के एंड देन यू हैव द फ्लिप साइड ऑफ Ollie Pope where he will go cheaply and you saw both Ollie Popes in this test match weirdly enough but yeah in that first innings I have to give him credit. Sure he's dropped once
really good innings
of Bumrah but वो drop इसका आया था जब ये 60 something पे था ये क्रॉस कर चुका था 50 and you know brilliant off his legs and he had some delightful stroke play square of the wicket on the offside cut बहुत पसंद है मुझे Ollie Pope का
उसके साथ he also took the catch of the match.
he did
so
take the catch.
A really good outing for Ollie Pope and a big humble pie जो मैं खाऊंगा.
खाओ तुम humble pie.
अगले मैच में
2 humble pie खाए तुमने स्टोक्स की पेस पे और Ollie Pope की बैटिंग पे. But you know what like he's gonna play this series now. I feel he'll have to fail dramatically to be dropped mid series now. शायद चौथे पांचवें टेस्ट में वो कुछ ट्राई कर लें but फिलहाल तो he's locked his place down and you know what you have to kind of consider अब इस पे एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा proper deep dive करना पड़ेगा in an era where number 3s are failing how good is Ollie Pope? He's an interesting cricketer. He's a random cricketer.
It's random.
It's not like KL Rahul. You're like, how does this guy not average more? You get it?
नहीं, I don't get. मुझे तो लग रहा था इससे कम होनी चाहिए.
इसको तो 35 आपको पूरा समझ आता है.
कैसे कर लिए 35 में तो इस बात पे हैरान हूँ.
छोटू सा है ये, ठीक है. But yeah, he's also a backup wicket keeper. So he's adding more value in that team, I suppose. और वो catch तो wicket keeper वाला ही है. उड़ता हुआ गया.
अच्छा खैर बहुत बातें कर ली हैं पोप की बहुत बातें कर ली नहीं करनी मैंने और उसकी बातें
पोप की वैसे काफी बातें हो गई.
अच्छा
have we discussed everyone now?
Everyone, just one remaining जो कि
ना तो
Ben Duckett. By the way, if someone can ship me a Duckett bucket hat, दो करना
उस पे आपको साल के लिए जानी बना देंगे.
2 करोगे तो साल हो ही जाएगा.
उस पे 2 साल दे दो. Duckett bucket hat मुझे चाहिए यार और मुझे वो उसमें चाहिए कोई लाइट ब्लू या बेबी पिंक में. मजा उसका था.
बेबी पिंक में तो नहीं इंग्लैंड वाला भेजो ना. इंग्लैंड वाला चलेगा प्रो.
हाँ ग्रीन वाली भी अच्छी है. I actually went to the website and I checked. अच्छा. Yeah. Really want them. And also I want a hot girls for Zoran t-shirt for my wife. So if someone can fix that up for me, I love that.
Okay.
But anyway, so यार क्या ही बात करें. What guy?
Ben Duckett. अभी हमने पहले भी बात की थी. करंट टेस्ट क्रिकेट में 2 ओपनर्स हैं जो चल रहे हैं मेरे लिहाज से. अगर आपके पास कोई है तो कमेंट्स करो. मुझे और कोई नहीं समझ आ रहा.
Jaiswal and Duckett?
Nissanka to some extent,
yes.
Jaiswal and Duckett or
also,
Duckett.
This is a guy who is dominating across all formats.
He's across all formats, pace and spin.
Yeah. That's very true.
Yeah.
He's been really, really good in T20s recently. He's averaging close to 50 at a strike rate of over 100 in ODIs.
Yeah.
And in Test cricket now he's averaging, 44 something? Playing the way he does, right? As an opener, that's insane. Like, Jaiswal to chalo wo textbook, technically correct with a bit of flashiness hai. Yeah, Duckett to is all out attack at times, right? He just takes you on, and sure, he was dropped twice in his first dig when he scored 62, dropped by both Jaiswal and Jadeja, and then he's dropped by Jaiswal once again in the fourth innings as well. But you can't take anything away from him, man. The way he batted, the way he spammed the reverse sweep. He looks so natural when he plays the reverse sweep. Unlike Stokes.
सारी sweep है. सारी sweep.
He's got all four, right? Lap sweep, conventional sweep, reverse sweep, paddle sweep.
Slog
sweep. वो lap और paddle एक ही है, slog sweep भी है. तो चारों की चार sweeps इसके पास है. And I've always been a big fan. I think he has really upskilled over the years.
Really upskilled यार. मतलब काफी अरसे पहले आया था. ये PSL में मैंने इसे पहली दफा देखा था.
Gladiators.
नहीं उससे भी पहले इस्लामाबाद के लिए आया था एक मैच. I thought कि यार ये क्या.
अच्छा, एक मैं ये चीज जरूर बोलना चाहूंगा कि sure he is one of the best all format cricketers going around. Him and Travis Head kind of
batters.
Come to mind instantly.
Yeah.
But एक बात आप ये मान लो, I don't think there's any debate in the fact that he is England's most valuable all format asset.
All format में तो 100%.
Test cricket में Crockett is such an important part of baseball to begin with, and Ben Duckett is the better performing opener over here.
और है कौन इनका all format player इंग्लैंड का?
यार
बेसिल, हैरी ब्रुक
is all format. जो रूट T20s नहीं खेलता.
All format और कौन है? और कोई नहीं है.
बेयरस्टो गॉन, तो खत्म ही हो गया बेयरस्टो बेचारा.
या
यही है. But खैर, the fact that he is effective in all three formats and plays all of this cricket and is averaging so high, playing his home cricket in England as well.
Jamie Smith maybe
yes. Jamie Smith is all format. तुम वही फंसे हुए थे. ठीक है. I love the way he goes about his batting. His drives are solid. ठीक है. He also has his punchy play. We all talk about his sweeps, right? And he did swam the reverse sweep conventionally. मारी reverse sweep तो बार
मारी.
जडेजा को तो
खा गया था.
But we don't talk
चौके.
we don't talk about his pull shot.
He
is very good on the pull.
मारी कितनी ज्यादा है.
He is exceptional on the pull, and both grounded pull and aerial pull. दोनों कमाल इसकी shotting.
Really upped his game.
Yeah. And those gentle pushes down the ground.
Oh, beautiful.
बुमराह के खिलाफ खास तौर पे, and मैं तुझे ये शो से पहले बता रहा था और मैं बहुत impressed था. The one thing that really stood out for me with respect to Ben Duckett is that he first survives Bumrah gets dropped twice off his bowling in the first innings, and then eventually is cleaned up or he chops on versus Jasprit Bumrah. ठीक है, 62 पे जब था. When he comes out to bat in the second innings, he survives Bumrah, and you might call that lucky, but I think he actually tweaked his game over there. He was batting with a closed face in the sense that, he was protecting the top of his off stump. And he was also making sure that he doesn't chop one on. तो वो beat होता रहेगा. मगर वो out नहीं हुआ. And you've got to give him credit. और इसने तो बड़ी बातें बोली भी. याद है तुम्हें? जो कि उसने clear की कि मेरा ये मतलब नहीं था. I was just saying that, पता नहीं, I don't remember what clarification he gave, but इसके पीछे जरा मीडिया में पड़ जाते होते.
थोड़ा मुंह फटे ना.
Also, this was his 6th Test 100, and he got there in fitting fashion with a reverse sweep, of course. And also, this was his first 4th innings 100, Sadi.
Crazy.
And this was the first 4th innings 100 for an English opener since Alistair Cook versus Bangladesh in Mirpur in 2010. 15 years. He was also player of the match, undoubtedly.
His first ever player of the match award.
Yeah, that's so weird. A player like Duckett has never won player of the match.
Abhishek AB को credit जाता है.
ये credit Abhishek AB को ही है. He came up with a stat and I just couldn't believe it. I was like, this is unfathomable.
Yes.
ठीक है. And what does he end up with on aggregate?
Aggregate
149 to 62 is 211 runs.
Wow.
That's just behind Rishabh Pant. ठीक है. Another universe, Rishabh Pant would have been player of the match, but then again,
fourth innings 100.
Fourth innings 100, won England the Test match, batted the way he did. और पता है यार, बहुत तेज खेलता है for a Test match. Yeah. And he
क्या 88 का strike rate है इसका टेस्ट में यार. Something like that.
देखो ना कि he saw off Bumrah. But then second spell पे बुमराह को भी मारे हैं.
बहुत मारे.
और फिर spin को तो खा जाता है. And it's just like he's such a cheat code if he goes on for a bit कि England को बहुत ज़्यादा advantage दे जाता है.
By the way, sorry, 86 का strike rate है Test cricket में.
चलो यार 88, 86.
Was this amazing for an opener जो 6 सेंचुरियां भी मारे और averaging around 40 what?
Yeah.
What?
44 होगा यार.
43.68, 44.
Almost 44, round up कर लो.
और क्या चाहिए
यार ऑन ड्राइव भी मारने लग
हाँ.
गए. His drives have actually really improved.
नहीं ओवरऑल एज अ क्रिकेटर ही इज इंप्रूव्ड लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स.
Yes. You remember that knock in the Champions
हाँ
Trophy?
ब्यूटीफुल.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
He's got his punchy play as well. He's like a touch player. ठीक है. वो थोड़ा Warner टाइप है. कभी कभार इसके चौके इस तरह के लगते हैं, है ना? उस तरह की फील देता है because he doesn't do a lot. He'll just time the ball और वो race away करती है. And yeah, I mean, Ben Duckett has inspired a whole generation of Indian batters. He's that kind of character, right? बल्कि मैं भी viral हो गया था Ben Duckett के सवाल से. जो मेरी गलती थी, by the way. I didn't phrase my question correctly. But yeah, man, love it. Like I said, give me that Duckett bucket hat. मुझे चाहिए भाई.
अच्छा.
Yes.
अब obviously सबकी बात कर ली है, लेकिन अब हमने second test की भी थोड़ी सी बात करनी है. Do England make any changes to their lineup?
I feel like because they don't have any option where there is an express pace bowler available, I don't think Jofra should be rushed. उसको अगर लेकर भी आ रहा है तो later in the series ले आओ. You stick with the same
11. और तो कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकता. अगर तो fully fit होता तो जोफ्रा या वुड में से एक आ सकता था, लेकिन और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं.
Sam Cook is not quick enough. Not now. Maybe for Lords, maybe.
Lords में मैं खिलाऊं उसे.
हाँ, उसको वहां पे आप देख सकते हो, मगर अभी नहीं आप देख सकते.
और इंडिया के लिए
यार इंडिया के लिए देखो,
कुलदीप तो आता है शार्दुल के लिए.
कुलदीप तो आता ही आता है.
वो तो 100%
because I'm expecting Edgbaston to be dry as well, which means foot marks as the game progresses, and then he can bowl out of the round.
And Akashdeep for Prasidh.
Yeah, because you'd want to test them out, right?
और
by the third test you should know कि exactly आपका bowling attack लगता कैसे है, या क्या होना चाहिए.
अब सीन ये है ना कि बुमराह ने 3 टेस्ट खेलने हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू जीजी.
Yes.
अगले वाला टेस्ट खेल रहा है या नहीं?
मैं वैसे ना खिलाऊं,
मैं भी ना खिलाऊं.
Even though I get Shayan's argument कि 2-0 डाउन हो जाते हो, फिर फ्लैट डेक पे बुमराह ज्यादा जरूरी है, मगर बुमराह का टूटने के ज्यादा चांसेस है फ्लैट डेक पे. You don't want to over bowl him. You don't want him to bowl 43.4 overs again. ठीक है. So I would say Arshdeep for Bumrah. Siraj stays. Also Siraj does bowl the wobble ball quite frequently. वो मगर Crawley उसको फिर 4 फीट आगे खेलने लग जाता है.
कोई है इतना लंबा.
It's called the baseball shuffle, right? वो बहुत आगे आ जाते हैं. क्रीज से बाहर खड़े हो जाते हैं. आकाश को ट्राई कर लो. कुलदीप.
That bowling attack looks a bit light.
Jadeja then?
क्या?
Jadeja stays?
और कौन आता है?
नहीं आ सकता ना कोई.
क्या NK आ रहा है उसकी जगह?
So then you're going with 2 क्या कहते हैं spinners, and you probably want to bat first so that you can bowl last.
Yeah.
यही करना पड़ेगा. But then again, I feel like you've got a 5 test match series where you can figure stuff out mid-series as well. So India just need to look at all their options.
बाकी बैटिंग यूनिट यही खेलता है.
हाँ, बैटिंग यूनिट को मैं टच ना करूँ यार. It's fine. It's okay if those 2 guys failed. Sayan Karun, उनको you don't just lose hope so quickly. और यार इतना reactionary मत हुआ करो. एक टेस्ट मैच हुआ है, गिल के पीछे पड़ गए हो, और रोहित की याद आ रही है. भाई रोहित नहीं अच्छा खेल रहा था.
नहीं खेल रहा था. अच्छा, who's going to win the next test match या draw होगा, क्या prediction है? क्योंकि मेरी
weather dependent भी है, क्योंकि इस मैच में बीच में बारिश आई है. If in fact there was a proper threat of rain on day 5, जो कि you know
नहीं हुई, lucky हो गया इंग्लैंड.
सबसे नहीं हुई. Also they kept playing in the rain.
हाँ,
ये भी
लेकिन ज्यादा तेज नहीं थी ना.
That Yorkshire drizzle.
हाँ बिल्कुल हल्की सी बारिश थी. खैर
बीच में तेज भी हुई है शादी.
तो वो गए ना ऑफ फील्ड, तब नहीं खेल रहे थे ना. जब खेल रहे थे तो हल्की सी थी बारिश.
हाँ सही है.
प्रेडिक्शन फॉर द नेक्स्ट.
बीच में तेज हुई थी तब भी खेल रहे थे वैसे. प्रेडिक्शन क्या ही देनी है यार.
England's gonna win.
I don't know.
England's winning it.
Yeah, if Bumrah's not playing, then England. Obviously. And this is the biggest blow for India, that out of the 3 Bumrah test matches, they've lost 1. So
और मैंने ये बोला था by the way बेराम, तुमने बोला था कि
मैंने
3 में से 2 जीते. मैंने कहा नहीं.
अच्छा,
मैंने बोला था कि 1 जीत सकते हैं, और वो मेरी नजर लॉर्ड्स पे ही थी. हाँ. अच्छा,
अभी तो खैर 2 और उसने टेस्ट मैचेस
खेलने हैं, और मुझे लगता है 1 ही जीतेगा.
He's still averaging below 20 in test cricket, right? And he's got 210 wickets as well in what 46 games. So मजा आएगा. The series has been brought to life, honestly, with that chase and a fantastic test match made for spectacular viewing, by the way, all 5 days.
क्या खूबसूरत है ना इंग्लैंड में टेस्ट क्रिकेट यार. मजा आ जाता है.
This was a batting centric test.
जो by the way रवि शास्त्री ने बोला कि it does not make sense कि वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल कहीं और हो, क्योंकि सबसे पहले तो जून जुलाई है, कहाँ पे खेलोगे, और खेलो तो सिर्फ लॉर्ड्स में खेलो. हाँ, I love that.
Multicultural है ना लंदन बहुत, so you will always get full houses at Lords whenever you have the final over there, or even the Oval, because दोनों लंदन. लेकिन
लॉर्ड्स में ही रखो यार. चलो खैर, और तो कुछ नहीं रह गया ना.
I don't think और कोई भी बात करने वाली रह गई मेरे दोस्त.
आप मेरे दोस्त.
आगे नहीं मिलेगा.
आप लोगों को
ढूंढता दिल
बेहोश ही हो गया दिल। आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करें, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल बेराम मुझे हर जगह फॉलो कर दें। उसके अलावा हमारी जानी ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट बन जाए थ्रू पेट्रियन, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, और इजी पैसा 031936025545 इज द नंबर। उसके अलावा अगर आप लोग ये वीडियो इंडिया या कहीं और पे एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते यूट्यूब पे, तो पेट्रियन पे $1.5 का आप जानी बने और वहां पे देख सकते हैं। और उसके अलावा हमारी बूथियां पसंद आई हो तो स्पॉटिफाई, Amazon म्यूजिक, एप्पल पॉडकास्ट, iHeart रेडियो, पैंडोरा, पॉकेट कास्ट, पॉडबीन, कास्ट बॉक्स और जहां जहां हैं हम हर जगह देखिए,
हर जगह फॉलो करो, ठीक है।
अल्लाह हाफिज।